Good evening. How's everybody doing? Um, I'm back here again. Cheers, drinking my South American tea. Alrighty, I'll switch this to the market screen and we'll see what's going on in there. Looks like somebody somehow logged into my account and took all the money out and only left me with $10.01. Why would somebody do that? Why would they pull all the money out and just leave $10.01? It's kind of strange. Maybe they're thinking that I could turn the $10 maybe potentially into $10,000. Maybe that's what happened. I don't know, but something's weird going on with this thing. Why would somebody go into the account and take the money out? That's crazy. That's flipping crazy. Why would they do that, right? Why would they take the money out? Kind of weird, kind of crazy. Now I just gotta find a way to turn that $10 into a bigger amount. Hey there, Ryan Lorello. I know, right? Somebody logged into my account, took all the money. Like they only left me $10.01. Like why would they do that, right? It's kind of weird. So somebody's probably kind of sort of halfway a good hacker and did something like that. Yeah, kind of crazy, right? No, well, the person that did that was actually me. I'm just kind of trying to make a joke out of it. No, yeah, everything's all good there, Ryan Lorella. I was trying to making a joke out of it. I pulled all the money out and I made like because I want to start from scratch, like investing and putting money in. But like, yeah, no, nobody took my own money. Nobody hacked it or did anything. It was just me being. I pulled the money out myself, but I'm starting with a little bit of money on the account. I'm gonna deposit a little bits at a time, and I added more ETFs. You tell me, Hog, you're like, what the? Yeah, like if that happened, I probably wouldn't be talking as calm and like laughing about it as I am if that happened. But yeah, that would have been crazy. You can't, yo, can I have 10 bucks? 10 bucks? Sure, yeah, I'll give you my whole account balance, right? The $10. Hey there, Water Buffalo, how's it going, man? How's it going? But yeah, that would have sucked if something like that happened, though. I definitely wouldn't want that to happen to me or to anybody. Like somebody just getting hacked and getting all the money taken away. That would have sucked. But good, tiny little joke, though. But right now, since like I'm pretty much out, like the only thing that's left here is Solana and ETH from the account because I took everything out completely, and I'm gonna start from scratch. You know, a little bit at a time, adding, depositing. What happened to your account? Oh, nothing happened. I just pretty much took everything out, and I'm restarting. So I took everything out like it was like nothing, and I'm starting from scratch. I got the money, but I'm gonna deposit slowly and slowly invest a little bit into some certain things. The Roth IRA is still there. So I added a Nicky SETF so I could add stuff that you guys think I should add and probably increase the amount like a little bit at a time to the stocks. And then another trading account, obviously the credit card. But I'm gonna try to like build it up from a small account and like deposit like every day or as much as I can, a little bit at a time, and grow it from scratch and see what it does. You know. What happened to your account? Oh, Snap Crypto is dipping again. I didn't see that. But yeah, I'm pretty much out of everything. That's the main account, so I don't have anything left on here. But I'm gonna start from scratch. But let's see. Maybe I'll start like queuing in some orders like the stocks that I like. Let's see. Probably SoFi because I had the most at that one. Actually, good thing I sold SoFi because I sold it for a higher price, and right now it's like what do you call it? Dipped quite a bit more from when I sold it. I am bullish on it long term though, you know, but short term, like I'll probably try to buy it on a dip, you know. So probably right now I'm gonna use the amount that I have to have as a radar, and I'm gonna deposit more and dollar cost average more as the stocks dip. Because like there might be some crazy stuff going on in the country, so like the market in general, a lot of it potentially might like go down. So I could get some stuff. But yeah, things are dipping a little bit. Crazy stuff. Let's see. So SoFi I added. Let's see. Maybe the other one I'll add. Maybe Tesla. Right? Probably add Tesla. Whatever 10 stocks I could add. Let's short silver ZSL. I know shorting silver for sure. That sounds good. Make a whole bunch of money. But thing is, if the stock market is dipping, like it's crazy that gold and silver are so high right now. But the funny thing is, it could potentially still keep on going up. That's a crazy thing. Like you could make pretty good money shorting it potentially, but if it keeps on going up, still might be risky. But does have potential though. You could probably tell people to donate to add stocks to the ETF. I know, right? Probably, but like I said, I'll be adding more money, like depositing more money and adding to the ETF and to the everything, and seeing how it goes. The Nicky S ETF, I'll just see how it goes though. So this is just the main account right now because everything's pretty much from scratch, from zero. But right now, like I'm putting some radar stuff into the main account, and then I'm gonna start putting money into the other ones. Get KTA. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if this one has the KTA. Let's see, KTA. The Kita. Yeah, right here still doesn't have it. The Explore and Robinhood Wallet. That's all they got here, but they don't have that for now. The Water Buffalo. They switched that. They don't have that. Meta went up. Yeah, it did. Like it kind of sucks. Well, it's still kind of not too bad because yeah, Meta went up. Like I still like I made profit on the Meta that I had. It was in a profit, so I sold out. Obviously, SoFi was in the negative, so I sold that at a negative. But I do want to get some more of it though. Let's see, get Meta. So I did sell that at a profit in general. Let's see, I'll probably get $1 worth of this. So I got a queue in 10 things and then like do the same thing with the Nicky S ETF. Alrighty, let's see what's gonna be the next one. Maybe Google's probably a good one, right? Google Alphabet Class A. I see. So I switched the account like before I had the what do you call it? I had the margin account in Robinhood. I switched that to the just a normal cash account, because market's gonna be dipping. I don't want to have the risks. Like if I click on it here, let's see. Let me show you. If I click on it, remember I used to have the margin account. Like I took everything out and I started from scratch. So if I click on this in the account, so see, it doesn't give me the option for the margin. Like I switched from the margin account just to be safer because this market might be kind of crazy and wild like this year. So like just to be safe, so I don't accidentally tap into the what do you call it margin and screw myself over. So I decided to not have margin just to be on a safer side. So like it's probably gonna be safer to do that though, in my opinion. Yeah, Google. I think Google is good for the long term for sure. Silver should have went up too, but I don't have any silver or gold stock. Do you have any recommendations? Oh, silver or gold? Yeah, let's see. Like even the silver. Let's see. This is the ETF I usually get silver with. Let's see. I share silver. This is the silver. This is the one that I usually get like when I do trade silver. So maybe like I'll add this one right here. So I'll add this one. Let's see, $1. Right now, just to kind of have on a radar. I don't mind to have it. Get everything as a radar type deal. I think it's pretty decent. So I added silver. This is the one that like it's the most common, one of the most common silver ETFs. Like I traded this a lot. But there's other type of silver plays that are out there. But this is, I think, one of the main ones that I used to trade when I had the bigger amount of money that I did. But right now, like and for the gold is this one GLD. This is the main gold ETF that I had to trade gold. This one SPDR Gold Trust. Damn, look how high it went up just today. Just in one day, it went up 3.81%. That's what I'm saying. The crazy things that are happening in the world right now, it's making gold and silver go up like crazy. And then Like overnight, it went up 3.01%. It's like skyrocketing. The gold and silver, it's insane. Just for the heck of it, I might get like a dollar worth. Like I said, I don't have much money, but to have it on the radar and just to kind of have it, I think it's pretty decent. But it's crazy. It's crazy how high it went up. Yeah, I'm pretty sure silver and everything will go dip like crazy. Right now, like eventually what goes up must come down. I think eventually will go down for sure. But right now, like as a starter, like having as a radar for me, I don't mind to get like a little bit right now. And then it'll be easier to track it, kind of sort of halfway easier to track it. Short, it's ZCL. Oh, it's the ZCL thingy. Let's see. Z. Let's see, is it ZC? Oh, ZSL. Okay, so Z Pro shares ultra short silver. So is all inverse leverage. So it's leverage. I see. About Pro shares ultra short silver. ZSL provides 2x. Yeah, this could be a good potential for when silver does go down. You could actually hedge what you got with this thingy. So it's a good potential. Like right now it's negative because it went up so much. But once it goes down, it could potentially make some money. So I'll probably get this one under the, what do you call it? Let's see, I'll get this one. Let me see, short ZCL. Can you break down how the 2x leverage works? So whatever the 2x leverage is, like for example, this is a silver old like ETF leverage, but this is inverse. So it goes opposite of what silver does. So if silver goes up 1%, this one goes down like 2%. This is the opposite of what silver does. So if you think silver is gonna go down, this is the one where you buy and you'll profit as silver goes down. Like if that's the option that you got. So I might get this one since one of you guys are telling me here about that. I might get this one here in the. Let's see. I'll get this one in the, what do you call it? The V Nicky SETF, maybe short term. I'll do that. I see trade. So right now I put it on V Nicky SETF and I'll buy one of this. And then as it dips, that'll be pretty cool. And then like later when it's a profit, I could collect profit. But I'll just do one just to kind of see what it does. But it's kind of interesting though. Okay, so I added that on the V Nicky SETF type thing. Maybe I'm trading too. I could invest in love. I know, right? For sure. Let's try to find love. Let's see like what there is. So love SAC. So that's a pretty decent one, right? You think? So it kind of went down today, 4.05%. And after hours, it's up 0.15. But I'm not sure if this is a legitimate one or worth it to invest in. I'm not sure. Kind of seems a little bit iffy. Kind of sort of halfway iffy, but like for the maximum is down 45%. 5 years is down 76%. So it's kind of like almost downtrending for the most part. So it does seem kind of risky. Are you buying stocks or doing puts and calls? I think I'll be doing puts and calls a little bit later. Because right now I'm starting the account from scratch. I mean, I do have the money, a lot of money to put on it, but I'm trying to grow it slowly right now. Like if I show you, see, like my account's down to $10.01. And then I got some other ETFs. I got the Roth, obviously. I got the V Nicky S ETF. I got the trading ETF. So I got multiple different things. So I'm gonna add money to all of them. Is love sack is furniture and chairs and couches, right? Oh, let me go back and check it out. Like I'll read about it here, see what it says. So the Lovesac Co. is a technology-driven omni-channel company. It designs, manufactures, and sells furniture comprised of modular couches called sectionals and foam beanbag chairs called sacks. Its products include sectional sacks and accessories. The company was founded by Sean David Nelson in 1995 and is headquartered in Stanford, CT. The listed name for Love is the Lovesac Company common stock. So yeah, this is the one, furniture pretty much. But the weird thing is that like there's no dividend. So the six analyst rating is 100% buy. Like it could have potential and stuff like that, but I don't know why it's just generally for the most part trending down. That's the weird thing. It might eventually go back up, but for me personally, I think this one's too risky. Like I personally rather invest into something safer. Check check the AG, bro. Oh, the AG. Nicky S is on the NYSE. Oh, really? Nicky S is on the NYSE? That's pretty cool. Oh, oh, you're asking if it is or not? Like, I don't think so. Check AG. Let's check AG. Okay, so AG First Majestic Silver. So silver is pretty good. I like silver. First Majestic Silver. So this one's worth it to buy for the long term. I think for sure. I'll get this one for the. Let's see. I might add this here on the maybe. Let's see on the trading. Maybe I'll add this onto the trading. So I'll get like $1 worth of this one on there. So right now I'm kind of adding the minimal to everything, just building a radar up, and then I'll be depositing a little bit more and building it up more as it goes. Well, what's the question mark for there, Jesus Garciano? AXTI, I mentioned it to you when it was $6. It reached 25. Oh wow, that's crazy. I missed out. I definitely missed out in that case there. IRVP. That sucks. Kind of sucks, but right now like can't take the past back, I guess, right? But right now I gotta readjust and rebuild from tiny little amount to a bigger amount. Seeing how much I'll be able to grow it. Have you bet anything on football? Oh, on football to today I haven't, because obviously my, like right now I'm not doing that because my what do you call it? My funds are very low. I took everything out and I'm starting from scratch. But I have more accounts that I'm investing in right now. But eventually, once the I get the account build up, actually, I should make another account, especially for sports betting. I'm not sure if that's gonna work. Like only for that. I don't know if they'll let me do that or not. That'll be pretty funny. The serve is at the Serve Robotics. But yeah, the betting thing, it was pretty nice. I kind of had fun when I was doing that. Like I might do that when the account like grows a little bit when I add more money to it. But AXTI, let me check AXTI. So oops, AXTI. SOXL. Okay, let's see. So AXTI. So this is the one. Okay, I see. So let's see. Today it's down 2.18%. After hours 0.74%. 1 week down 10%. 1 month it's up 5%. 3 months it's down. I mean, 3 months it's up 165%. Year to date it's up 9.44%. Let's see. 1 year it's up 673%. 5 years it's up 35.77%. Let's see then. Max time it's up 10.64%. Let's see. So this one, you guys think it's might be worth it to add to my portfolio? AXDI INC engages in the design, development, manufacture, and distribution of compound and single element semiconductor substrate. It also sells specialty materials, substrates, and raw materials used to make substrates and other related products. The company was founded by Morris S. Young and Davis Zhang in 1986 and is headquartered in Fremont, California. The listed name for AXTI is AXT INC Common Stock. So distribution compound and single element semiconductor substrates. That's kind of what it's about. Fremont, California. Let's see, what's the PE ratio? 31.92, 52-week low, 1.13, 52-week high, 26.66. So it's kind of like in between, like a little bit. So yeah, it might have some potential. For the maximum, it's up 10, 5 years up 36, 1 year 603. So yeah, it might have some potential. See, SOXL, ZIM dividend stock. Oh, the ZIM dividend stock. I should probably add that one to the what do you call it, to the um I'll add this one. I'm not sure if I should add, maybe I should do a poll if I can, but I'll super chat go and give. Yeah, I don't know how to do that. It's kind of weird. But anyways, I'm gonna maybe add this one. Let's see, to the Nicky ETF. Somebody said that one. Maybe it might be worth it to add. Let's see, buy just $1. And then let's see, ZIM, right? ZIM, let's add ZIM to it. So I'm on the Viniki S. See, ZIM. Okay, ZIM okay, so the ZIM integrated shipping services. So this is the dividend one. So I guess I could add this one. So the dividend is 18.84 on this one. So the 6 analyst ratings, 50% hold and 50% sell. So not the greatest, but still, I guess I could get $1 worth it and see what it does, right? See what it kind of does. I have a question. Add AQ on the sticker. Let's see. AXTI, I mentioned it to you. Yeah, it kind of sucks like the AXTI wasn't able to get for a lower price, but it is what it is kind of for now, right? Kind of sort of halfway is what it is. Nicky SCTF. No, I don't think there's actually a Nicky SCTF. I don't think that exists. I just kind of made one where like I kind of add a whole bunch of stuff what you guys like tell me to get or like want me to get or whatever, you know. But I don't think there's actually a thing out there. Yeah, see if I put Nicky S, it doesn't have anything. The closest thing it has is this weird thing. I don't know what this is. The Vontobel International Equity Active ETF. Yeah, this I don't know what this doesn't barely like any chart or anything. I don't know what that is. But Vine is actively managed investing in non-US equities, including emerging markets, while aligning with global indices and meeting ESG standards. The fund aims for long-term capital growth. The listed name for Vine is Vontobel International Equity Active ETF. But yeah, no, this is something else. It looks like they don't have a VNIC ETF. I think that'd be kind of hard to do to make one actually. Oh, hey there, Lance. How's it going, man? How's it going? Maybe I should full port into the what do you call it the what do you call it that thing and do like 60 contracts. Maybe I should do 60 contracts and go all in on a downtrend because it's downtrending right now. Maybe I should do that. Once that gets to a full profit, then I could switch around to something else. But for now, I'm kind of doing this thing a little bit right here. How's the prop treating you so far, Lance? Gold got wild at 6 p.m. Eastern Open. Yeah, it did. Went kind of crazy. uh, and like, how's the trading going for you, Lance? Did you like pass some more evals? Uh, I had to go to trivia. Oh, I see. I remember. Yeah, the stuff where you go out with your family and friends. I see. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Sounds like fun. Okay, let's see. Which one should I add next? So on the let's see. Maybe I should go add something to this one, the VNICKI S thingy right here, the VNICKI S ETF. So I got some more buying power. Get some more stuff. I'm okay. I'm down like 400 on this 50K eval. Oh, I see. Well, at least $400. It's yeah, it's not good. Definitely sucks. But at least it's still there. At least mine's kind of blown right now. So it is what it is, right? What happened to all your money? Oh, somebody logged in and withdrew all the money, so it all disappeared. So I got to start from scratch. At least they left me $10 on the account, which is better than nothing. No, no, I just decided to withdraw all of it. Took all the money out, and I switched the account. Like I sold everything. Like switched the account to what do you call it? Right here, buying power. I switched the account. Remember, I used to have a margin account, like because it's kind of risky, and I didn't want to have any potential risk, so I switched it to a cash account. So this is no longer a margin account. Like, I can't borrow from the brokerage. I mean, I could switch it back to the other one, but for me to be safer, I switched to the cash account, and then I'll be growing the account slowly on Robinhood here. So I switched everything around. I'm starting from little amounts. Now I'm gonna be depositing like as much as possible every day, and then I'll be just I added like a VNICKI S ETF account that I could grow like the account with the whatever the stuff you guys recommend, then a trading one, a separate one, then obviously I still got the Roth, and then I got the investing one. This is the investing one, that's the original one. but I'm starting from scratch and trying to let the accounts, smaller accounts, grow and adding a little bit like things here, like a little bit at a time. It's manageable. 400 is half a good day. Oh, for sure, for sure. But hopefully you'll pass for sure, man. Yes, hopefully you'll pass. Definitely wish you the best of luck and this like success in passing that like as soon as possible. But right now, let's see. You should be buying cheap ZOTM options with like a month or less time. Grow your $10. I know, right? But the thing is, yeah, like I got multiple $10 accounts I'm starting with, but then I'm gonna be adding depositing like more as much as possible and growing multiple accounts like as much as possible. But these accounts like the trading, the Nicky SETF, I can't do options with. These are like only cash. But the Roth IRA I could do options on, and obviously the normal one I could do options on, but because I switched it to like not it's not a margin account anymore because I switched it to a normal account. I can't do like poor man's covered calls and stuff like that. I could do like I could do puts and calls like buying puts and calls. I could sell puts and calls, but I cannot like do poor man's covered calls like where I sell a call against like a leaps option or something like that on this cash account. I can't. I could no longer do that. But it's fine though. It's safer because I don't have margin, and if I just in case if I have margin and use it and goes against me, I'm just safer in general against that. Any crypto? Like I don't have any crypto right now, but I could get some though. Let's see. I would have to go to crypto and get some. Let's see. Right now I don't have any though. Let's see. I could buy some crypto, but like tradable crypto, like I don't have any right at the moment. For example, I could buy. Let's see. Which one should I buy? Yeah, I don't have any. I might start adding it later a little bit as it dips some more, because right now it might be dipping some more. Maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow, I might add some crypto, but like I got a little bit like Solana and ETH because I sold everything out. The only thing that's left here is the Solana and ETH from the fractional little bits and pieces that I couldn't sell. So like almost nothing. But literally, I sold everything out. The only thing that was left was pretty much 1 cent from the Solana and ETH that weren't really sellable type deal. I don't like having restrictions. You have no margin account. What about futures trading? Props only for now. Well, like the props, like cause the last prop I have, like I'm gonna like I still have that one, but like I'm probably not gonna trade the props at the moment because like it's kind of not doing that great on them, and like it's being glitchy and stuff like that. So I might give a little break from the props at the moment, but I'll probably be adding more money to the Robinhood account. So yeah, it's kind of like what I'm planning to do at the moment. So yeah, crypto. I'm planning to add some crypto. Like right now, I don't have any though. Let's see where Bitcoin is at right now. Like maybe if it's gonna dip some more these days, looks like it's in a downtrend. Maybe potentially it might dip some more. So I could add this to my what do you call it? I could add this to my. So crypto, I think I could only do it on the main account. I think that's the only one that I could do that on because it doesn't give me the option to switch. But like I'll do some crypto like once it dips some more, try to get it on the dips more on the dips. But right now, like apart from like super tiny little bit of Solana and ETH, I don't have any crypto. I sold pretty much everything out. Like I had to change accounts from margin to normal account. I had to switch it out kind of just to be safe. Yeah, it's kind of what it is with this thingy. But yeah, futures trading on Robinhood, I could still do the futures trading on Robinhood, because I still got the option. Like right here, I'm still able to trade it. Let's see. But like obviously I need a bigger amount to trade that. So I couldn't trade it right now, but I still have the option. Although like I switched from a margin account to a normal account, but I could still buy and sell like just the gold thingy and stuff like that. I could still do that. Still doable, but like I'd have to build up the portfolio to have enough funds to do that. But like to do that, I'll probably have to get better a little bit on trading, not to risk too much too fast. But I'm gonna try to build up a small portfolio with sometimes day trading, sometimes scalping, and sometimes just generally adding to one of these accounts here. You know, just kind of growing them a little bit. Sold my SPY puts one IV kicked in for a 2.6 loss. Oh no, that's not good. I'm sorry to hear that, the Detroit Rovers. That sucks. Couldn't buy a call after that because IV would sink it. Oh wow. I'm sorry. That sucks there, the Detroit Rovers. That sucks. Sorry to hear that, man. That's terrible. Okay. Oh yeah. So if I like so I have like some queued orders here and this. So I got the ZSL queued in. I got the AXTI queued in. Let's see. No big deal. I deserved it because Monday I went in a bad position. Yeah, that. Yeah, it still sucks, still terrible. But like sometimes, at least when things like that happen, at least we don't throw in the towel and quit. You know, because the long game of the stock market is still good. You know, like you gotta still keep on pushing and still trying to, you know, keep on exceeding and doing good in the market. But little losses, they're part of the teaching game. You know, they teach us what to do, what not to do. You know, like if we learn a good lesson from it, we could take a loss and into a positive type of turn it into a positive type situation, positive type deal. It's like a paying for a school or for a lesson type deal. You know, like depends on how we put it. I have margin now, so I can play with SPY now when it's normalized. Tomorrow, FOMC made it jump up and down so crazy. I know it is crazy. That's insane. But yeah, I kind of got rid of my margin account like on the investing. That's why like to switch it to normal. I just didn't want to take the risk. Like I switched it. I had to sell everything out and switch it to the cash account. Now with the cash account, like obviously I can't do as much stuff. I can't borrow from the brokerage, but I can still do options, just more limited ones. Instead of level three, I get level two options, you know. But I'll probably deposit every day and grow it a little bit at a time every day, like adding certain things to it, you know. Kind of what I'm planning on doing. But eventually I might switch back to the margin account like when I feel more comfortable using it, but for now just to be safer and with everything being so weird in this country and in the world, I just rather take it like safely and slowly, you know, like take it easy a little bit. Definitely you can make money regardless of what's going on. Just sometimes it's good to be safe a little bit, I guess, in my opinion. Why do I keep forgetting to get sardines? Oh no, I forgot you forgot the sardines. Water buffalo, that's not good. But yeah, now I gotta find which other stocks I should probably add some SoFi to this one. I think for sure. Let's see, SoFi. Because like, good thing I sold SoFi because right now it's lower. I only want margin to enter and exit calls with the same money. Otherwise, settled funds take one day. Oh yeah, yeah, true. With the margin, like you don't have to wait for sell funds. You could just do the plays. Yeah, it kind of makes sense. Still a higher risk, but if you use it right, still you could make like higher reward potential. You know. Okay, so this one so far I'll add to the Nicky SETF for sure. Have one of those. Trade by $1 worth. Oh boy, Nick, good thing you closed out your short position on gold last night. I know, right? Funny. You're funny there, Papa T6. Yes, I want to try them for the first time. Also, I got my mate cup and tea. I like it. Oh, nice, nice. Oh, yeah, that's awesome, water buffalo. I'm glad you love it. I'm still drinking my like mate and like all that stuff, South American tea, mate cup. Good stuff. But yeah, like right now, literally, I have almost nothing in the positions. And like I said, switched to from margin to cash account and added more accounts. I'm gonna grow more smaller accounts into bigger accounts. I'll try to do that. Close your short position. But yeah, right now, like I'm not in any short position at all. I'm just kind of redoing the whole Robinhood thingy. Like I said, I switched it. right here. This is the main account. I switched it, like I cashed everything out, and I switched it from margin account to a cash account. And to do that, I had to, pretty much the account had to be empty to switch. And then I'm gonna be adding a little bit at a time, and adding to the positions. So I have still got the Roth IRA, still got the, this is the one I made today, a new account, the Nicky SETF. I made that one to add some stuff to it, and then another trading account I added to add some of the, stocks or whatnot to it. So I changed things around a little bit. I like that. It's good for you. Oh yeah, it's very very good, very healthy. You laugh. I know, right? I laugh. Yep, exactly. It's kind of funny, right there, Papa T6. Pretty funny. Kind of, sort of, halfway. Pretty funny. Look, ST Vale stock you bought. ST Vale. Let's see. Let's check it out. ST Vale. What's ST Vale? Leverage shares to a. Looks like they don't have the ST Vale. Which one is that there, Papa T6? The ST Vale? It doesn't have it on here. Unless it's spelled wrong. Oh, oh, Vale. Oh, I see. Okay, the Vale thing. Yeah, I see. I see. Oh, so this one, the Vale, yeah, it went up like right now, whether I bought it or not, I was sold out of everything. But that's why I'm starting from scratch. But Vale, yeah, this one's up 1.92% today, so that's pretty cool, and then overnight it's up 0.33%, still pretty decent. Then, like, for the week, it's up 12.22%. That's quite a lot. Let's see, 1 month it's up 28%, 3 months it's up 46%, year to date it's up 27, 1 year it's up 84, 5 years down 2%, maximum it's up 647. But yeah, recently went up quite a bit, so maybe I should probably add that one too, right? I think I'm over my data limit. Oh no, you're over your data limit? How's that possible there, Ford Rules? So I guess I could add this one to my, what do you call it? What do you think, Papa T6? Should I add this one to my Nicky SETF? This one? Let's see, because I'm adding like small amounts to whatever. You think it's worth it to add it right now? Let's see. I guess I'll add it. $1 to the veil thingy. Add the, what do you call it? Radars. New little radars I could keep on adding to. So I added a little bit to that. They just cut me back speed. Oh, that sucks. I'm sorry to hear that, Ford Rules. That's like, is that your like main internet at home they did that to, or is that like the mobile, the cellular internet? That sucks. Like when they slow the speed down. So let's see. I want to read a little bit about this one. So Vale SA engages in the production and exportation of iron ore, pellets, manganese, and iron alloys. It operates through the following segments: iron solutions, energy transition materials, and others. The iron solutions segment includes the production and extraction of iron ore pellets, manganese, other various product and logistics services. The energy transition materials segment involves the production and extraction of nickel and its products. Other includes the revenues and costs of other products, services, research and development, investment and joint venture, and association of other business. The company was founded on June 1, 1942, and is headquartered in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Listed name for Vale is Vale SA. So looks pretty decent. Let's see. It's got a dividend, 7.71% dividend, so that's pretty decent. The analyst ratings is 61% buy, 39% hold, and 0% sell. So that's pretty decent over there. Okay, so the phone data. Okay, that sucks when they do that. Sorry to hear that, Ford Rules. Buy more SBSW. Hell yeah, let's buy some SBSW. Let's do that. SBSW. Okay. So SBSW right here. I'm gonna, for now, because I got limited amounts, I'm just adding like $1 of whatever I want to add, and then I'll be adding more money and like be adding more stuff a little bit at a time. So right now, let's see if I click on buy. I got two more items I could add to the Nicky S portfolio. Then I could what do you call it? I'll probably deposit some more money tomorrow on this one and all the other accounts, and add a little bit at a time. But yeah, this one looks pretty decent for long term for sure. I bought on Monday and I'm up a little. Nice, bought on Monday and you're up. Hell yeah, man. Oh, PBR. I see I could get some of that too. Promise to buy 500 of SBSW. It's in my IRA too. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm pretty bullish on the SBSW too. For the long term, I think that thing should be doing pretty good. Like as I deposit more money, I'll be adding more of that one for sure. I bought on Mondays and I'm up a little. That's pretty cool. I went over they say 11 gigs in 1 week. I called and it started working fine. Oh wow, they're trying to scam you there, right? Ford rules. That's good that you called and fixed it, but that's messed up that they slowed it down for you. Well, good thing they got it fixed. Okay, PBR. So I can check that one now, right? Let's see. PBR. Okay, so Petrobras. So that's one of the what do you call it? Yeah, this one's going up quite a bit. I think this one should be doing pretty good for the long term. So yeah, I think that's a good deal. Let's see some information about it. That's the dividends I used to get paid from this one. But I'll click this to the Nicky SETF. Buy. Let's see. Oh, so I do have a little bit more of this one. So Nicky SETF, I got 6 available to buy. Okay. So I do have more buying power. Something was just kind of weird. Okay, so I got on the Nicky SETF, I got one more of this. So I think the other stuff I bought that was under something else, maybe. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Kind of weird. That was dead on. They scammed me. Yeah, that's for sure. Which carrier was that did that there, Ford Rules? That sucks when they screw people like that for no reason. But yeah, I do like the SBSW for sure. Let's see here. So like right now, obviously I'm buying these things. Like once market opens, they'll just fill the orders once market's open. It took it took me it took me a while to figure it. Oh wow, that's crazy. Well, at least you figured it out there, Ford Rules. That's good, but still, that's not cool that they do that to people. Totally not cool. But anyways, right now, let's see. AG shares. Wonder what that is. Stocks and ETFs. Oh, that's queued. Oh, that's yeah, I don't know. Oh, confusing. Oh, that's under the trading. Okay, that's the ETF. So I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 things under here. Let's see, is the SBSW? Oh, I think I might have put SBSW under something else, but I'll probably add it here to this one. Let's see. SBSW. And I'll add it to this one. So I'll make sure I click on, right now it's kind of more complicated because I gotta also individual investing to available. Okay, this one has more. Okay, so I'll add $1 to this one. It's version but free. So it's version but free version. Oh, so it's version but free version. I see. Okay. So I got some of that. See, maybe I should click on the metals. Maybe I should get one of the copper thingies here. One copper thingy. Let's see. If copper will be going up, that might be a pretty decent one. Let's see. For the copper, let's see, maybe global X copper miners ETF, or I had three lives before this. That closed 2 more. So I had three lives before this. That closed 2 more. Oh wow, I see. Oh, Verizon, I see. So at first I was like version, but okay, Verizon. I had three. I had 3 lives before this. That closed 2 more. What do you mean by like had 3 lives before this? That closed 2 more. Or you mean you had 3 lines, right? There are 4 rules. Let's see, which copper thingy should I add here? I sh- iShares Trust, iShares Copper, and Metal. I want to see which type of copper deal to add here. Freeport, United States Copper Index Fund. We hit Iran. We dump hard. Oh, I'm pretty sure that's gonna happen for sure. FCX. Oh, so you're saying this one's a pretty decent, right? The Freeport McMoran, right? Okay, I guess I could add that one. But yeah, if we hit Iran, because I heard that the ships are going there, but if we hit Iran, I think the markets will be dumping like crazy. That's why it's good that yeah, hell yeah, thanks there, Tommy Hawk, hell yeah. So FCX, let's get some of that one. Let's see on the V Nicky F V Nicky S ETF, get $1 of that one. Trade buy. You and other are you and another are on right now. Night House and Nick. Oh, Night House and Nick. Oh, I see. So Night House, is that another live stream, right? I mean, I'm gonna take a screenshot of that. So like, is that another live stream? Maybe I should check it out too. But yeah, like I started to like I had a strange feeling about the whole market. I think it might potentially be dumping, especially with them potentially hitting Iran. Now that they hit it, it might actually sink the market, like dip the market even more. So that's why it's probably good thing that I sold out of everything and starting from scratch. So even everything dips like crazy, I got small amounts in what I got, and I just keep on adding. It's a good time to start like adding more on the dips as it dips some more. So, and good thing I'm out of margin because I reset the Robinhood account. That like I can't go crazy and go into margin and things keep on dipping more and not to potentially be liquidated or screwed. I'm just trying to play it safer, at least for the time being. But nobody knows for sure what's going to happen. But it's still generally best to be safe, regardless, best to be safe. You are in minerals too, so you're good. Yeah, minerals throughout the like wars or disasters or whatever. Minerals should definitely always be doing pretty good. Metals, minerals, all that stuff is like a very good hedge and safety spot to park some money for the short term at least. For the forever type deal, but like at least when something's shitty going on, it's good to have those. I will probably buy spy puts by Friday leaps. Oh, nice. Spy puts by Friday leaps. Nice, nice. Yeah, whatever is possible to make some money, but yeah, hopefully you do good on those plays there that Detroit throws. But yeah, gold and silver right now is so high, it's like crazy. Just in general. That girl that got the 1800 in one live. Remember? Oh yes, yes, I remember that. I remember that there, Ford Bulls. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I mean, that lucky for her, she got a whole bunch in one night. That's awesome. Let's see, what other thing should I add here? Maybe I'll click. Let's see, go to my mining, top metals to trade. Maybe I should add. Let's see. Maybe LAC, since LAC dipped a little bit, right? Looks like maybe I could add a little bit of that one. Maybe I could add a little bit of this one. Let's see, maybe switch this. So it's already at the V Nicky S ETF, so I could add a little bit of this one. Yeah, but that's crazy that that girl got tipped a whole bunch. Okay, so I got some of that. Let's see what else. Maybe some platinum. See how platinum's doing. So platinum's up quite a bit today. She got 400 another night after that. Oh wow, that's crazy. That's hella nice for her. Hell yeah. Maybe she gets like a few 100,000 in one night. That'd be crazy, right? Oh man. Let's see, granite shares, platinum shares. Maybe I should get some of this one. Let's see, this one I could add to the trading. Let's see, buy one. So maybe I'll add the same thing. Let's see, add the same thing to the V Nicky SETF. Trade by $1. Just building up the radar, starting the Robinhood thingy from scratch. That's 3 times free money. I know, right? 3 times free money. Yeah, that's hella nice. That's awesome. That's pretty cool. So yeah, once market opens, I'll get all these orders filled. It'll be pretty nice. One guy says he is rich, funny to watch. Oh, really? That is pretty funny. Community moderation, automatic transfer. But yeah, that's funny. Just looking at the things here. Let's see. Lopez D1. Oh, Starbucks. Starbucks might be pretty decent, but like for me, like it might take a while for that thing to potentially go up some more. But like recently, like I don't know what that is. Like it jumped quite a bit here recently, but I don't know what that was all about. But then it kind of went back to its normal deal. Yeah, recently it went up quite a bit. I mean, the good thing about this one, it has good thing about this one, it has a dividend. Like it might not do anything too crazy, but it still might be okay. The analyst ratings on this is 47.3% say buy, 39.5% say hold, 13.2% say sell. So, I mean, not the greatest, not the worst. I mean, it's still like not too bad. For the maximum, it's up a lot, 2,423%. 5 years, it's down 8.79%. 1 year, it's down 4.36%. Year to date, it's up 13.34%. 3 months, it's up 8%. 1 month, it's up 9%. 1 week, it's up 1.18%. 1 day, it's down 0.63, and overnight, it's down 0.52. I'm confused. Did you just have a feeling the market might come down, or did you need that cash for something? No, I had a feeling that the market is gonna dump and crash, and just to be safe, I did want to readjust and not have margin just to be on the safer side, because who knows what could happen. Thing is, I sold out of SoFi too, because that was my biggest position. SoFi dipped even more, so I was able to like prevent like potentially short-term bigger losses. Although long-term, I'm still bullish on it. I think it'll be going up, in my opinion. But like short-term, because of the stuff that's going on in the country and in the world and the war potential stuff, just trying to play it more safe, because right now with all the weird stuff going on, like it might take a longer time for like SoFi and some other stocks to go up. Might take it a longer time. But yeah, like I just trying to play it safe a little bit. But I'll be adding to the account a little bit at a time and growing it, like the multiple accounts that I'm starting. But and I switched to like I said to a non-margin account because let's see, because to switch to a non-margin account, like you have to have zero. So I had to have completely everything sold out to do a switch. Otherwise, they wouldn't let you do that while you're invested into other stuff and have like a balance on that account. So I had to sell off everything and then restart all over again. But I did add more. I added the VNIKI CTF and the trading account. Like I might add some more different accounts, on top of what I got. But like I'm kind of trying to switch things around and grow smaller accounts to a larger size and see what happens. Let's see. Will that buy be a good for you to buy? Some say they want to marry her. Oh, some say they want to marry her. That's funny. She's easy on the eyes. Old saying. I know, right? That's funny. That's pretty cool. There, four duels. Will that buy be good for you to buy? Oh, the Starbucks. Oh, let's see. I mean, I could buy it. Let me see. I could buy a little bit. I mean, it's got dividend. I mean, I'm not saying anything super negative or anything like that. Like, it's kind of risky because like generally for a while it's going down. It went up here recently, but I could get a little bit on the what do you call it, VNIKI ETF. I could get a little bit, the minimal, see what it does. But so that's my last investment out of the VNIKI deal here. So I'm gonna get that. Like I'm not sure how well it's gonna do. Like me personally, to invest a whole lot in it, I probably wouldn't do that. But I think $1 won't hurt for me. So I'm pretty much out of buying power for the Nicky ETF here. I'm like no shares. Like I'm out of purchasing power on that. But I could still buy under the other ones. I could still, let's see. Like Starbucks is the kind that like you could potentially make some money long term, but probably not huge money. The bigger money you can make with Starbucks if you like day trade scalp and you predict right on the short term moves, you can make a lot of money fast on that, but potentially. But long term, I think you could still make money on the dividends. Plus, there might be some decent growth in the future. But the thing is, it's the stock market. Nobody knows 100% what it's going to do. But $1 in it for now won't hurt me that much. It does have potential though. Oh, Starbucks, since you're a drinker, I know, right? Since I'm a drinker, for sure. I got the mate here. I do have a coffee cup here with my Marvel black coffee here, and I got my tea. My other cup of tea here. This cup where I'm drinking my green tea and other teas in it. But yeah, I do love coffee and other drinks, but just generally logically thinking, like I think Starbucks might maybe do okay, but it's hard to tell. Like I'm bullish on other companies more than the Starbucks. But yeah, I'm kind of switching things around, especially if the short term, like the things will be dipping like crazy. I'm just trying to play it safe for a little bit at the moment. I found 4 rolls of wartime silver nickels today. I was soup, souped. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. That's awesome, man. Hell yeah. Hi, hey there, Money Inspiration. Hey, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Thank you. How you doing, man? How you doing? Hopefully all is well, man. Hopefully all is well. See, right now I gotta find something else to add to my, let's see, Roth IRA. I could always add something to the Roth IRA. Oh yeah, maybe I should add something to it. Oh hell yeah. Good to hear that there. Good to hear that. Все хорошо, классно и прекрасно, да? Все хорошо. Как хорошо. Let's see. The market might potentially be dipping, so I gotta see what to buy here. Maybe some more. Let me see. I'll go to the. Let's see. Go to the. I think I'm in the wrong thing here. Let's see. Go to the trading. Let's see. Go to the list here. Maybe the non-tradable crypto. I don't want to do that. Let's see. Or the metals. Maybe I'll add some metals to my flipping holding. Let's see. Let's see. What do you work for as, if you don't mind me asking? Oh, like what do I work for as? Well, like, I have my own construction company, so I do construction. Like I'm a general contractor. But like in the work that I do in my construction company, mostly I do like tile work, stone work, some finished carpentry. Like before, I did pretty much everything construction wise for other companies, but since I opened my own company, I just kind of do what I like more. Like so, yeah, pretty much a general contractor doing mostly tile work, stone work. That's pretty much what I do. What about you there, Money Inspiration? What do you do for work? And this stock market stuff I kind of do like for fun and on the side type deal. So right now I'm like I started this account from scratch. I'm gonna build up the accounts. Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, it's I kind of don't mind that. Construction is kind of a little bit hard work and sometimes things kind of a little bit tricky, but it's pretty fun in a way too. Physical labor, but also you need to kind of know what you're doing to do the things right. But yeah, I like it. Let's see, platinum. Maybe that's the one I should add. Platinum and copper to the, let's see, that one. So that one is PLTM. Is that under trading? Add this. Let's see. I'm still 17. I do landscaping, but really interested in the market. Oh, I see. I see. That's pretty cool. Like that you're interested in the market. Oh, still in school. I see. That's pretty cool. But like, since you're interested in the market and you're that young, like you could legally start trading once you're 18. Man, like you could do so well, especially getting a lot of the knowledge before you're even 18 or before you like you could legally trade. That like you could literally, if you do things right, you could be so rich, so wealthy. Like since you're starting from a young age, like sometimes I wish I started from like when I was like even like way younger, because I kind of started like not too long ago, and obviously I'm not young or anything. But that's cool. Yeah, you got so much potential there, Money Inspiration. That's hella nice. That's hella nice. I wish you the best of luck and success. I think you'll be doing pretty good, man. You'll be doing pretty good. Like starting this type of deal early on. That's hella nice. That's your Roth IRA. Hell yeah, you're taking the smart path, man. Definitely taking the smart path. Let's see, add a little bit of this one to the Roth IRA. Hell yeah, the best of success and luck to you. You're welcome. I wish you the best success and luck. You'll definitely be doing very well. Like just keep on working on your goals and keep on like especially the stock market. Learn whatever you can about it, and then just play it safe, play it right. Play it smart. I think you'll be doing pretty good with it. Let's see, maybe add some copper to the. Just close your eyes and YOLO. Just close your eyes and YOLO. I mean, yeah, it's kind of risky, but yeah, sometimes it could work, but most of the time, probably not. But that is funny though. Let's see, now I'm going to put some more in the Roth IRA, United States Copper Index Fund. Buy $1 worth of this. Okay, let's see here. Maybe add this to the, let's see, to the trading. Let's see, no shares. Not that. Trade, buy. Get $1 worth of this one here. Oh, thanks for your live streams. Oh, you're welcome there, Lopez D1. And thank you guys for watching and chilling here with me. Like, I enjoy your guys' company. You guys are awesome, man. Love y'all. Love all you guys. Okay, so I added a little bit of the copper deal. Let's see, silver, SLV. Might add some of this to the, let's see, Roth IRA maybe. Roth IRA, add a little bit of this. How about aluminum? Aluminum's pretty decent too. Like I could see that doing pretty good. Oops, aluminum, aluminum. I wonder if I'm not sure if they're like what kind of Century aluminum. There's one Kaiser aluminum, Alcoa on the airspace. So I'm not sure which one's gonna be the best one out of these. Let's see. Century aluminum. So this one's up 2.47. Let me read about it. Century Aluminum Co. is a producer of aluminum and operates aluminum reduction facilities or smelters in the United States and Iceland. Its products include standard ingots, T-ignot extrusion, billet, horizontal direct chill, ignot, molten slab. And so the company was founded in 1995 and is headquartered in Chicago, Illinois. The listed name for SCNX is Century Aluminum Company Common Stock. So looks pretty decent. Like 1 week it's up, 1 month it's up, 3 months it's up, year to date it's up, 1 year it's up, 5 years it's up, and maximum it's up. So compared to what it used to be, so it looks like if it's gonna keep on growing, looks like it does have potential. Let's see, dividend. There's no dividend for that, but it's fine as long as it goes up. So I might get a little bit of this one. I think it does have potential. I'm gonna get that under the, let's see, Roth IRA maybe, or maybe trading. Maybe I'll get this under the trading. See, buy $1 worth of this thingy, and then let's see, get one more under the, let's see, Roth IRA. Buy, let's see, one more under this. Are you located in the States? If so, what part? Oh, yes, I am. I live in Washington State. Washington State, like it's I don't know if it's a small town. That's Bridgeport, Washington. That's where I'm at. So, like, you know where Seattle is? I'm not in Seattle. I'm the opposite side of the state. So, Eastern Washington. Oh, yeah, located in Eastern Washington. So it's pretty decent. I mean, I like it here. Hey, man, what you doing in intraday? Oh, what am I doing intraday? Well, I'm doing construction work, like mostly construction work, and sometimes I trade while I do construction work. But like right now, I kind of reset the account here, or changing the account, like for the most part. I had a link to this trading site, videos about trading. It has people from 80s. Oh, people from 80s on the trading site. That's kind of interesting. Where's the link at? Where did you put the link there, Ford Rules? That's pretty interesting. So I have a link. Videos about trading. It has people from 80s. Oh wow. That's kind of funny. Let's see, maybe add SBSW to my, let's see, to my Roth IRA. Is this your investment portfolio? Let's see. Well, it's kind of like one portfolio. It's the account. Well, I added this to the investment portfolio, to the Roth IRA, but in general, I reset the account. So like this is the one where I had like the bigger amount of money, but like I got the money out, I sold out, and I'm starting from scratch. I switched it from a margin account to a normal account just to kind of play it safe. And right now I'll be adding a little bit of funds every day and adding to the positions that I got, you know. I'm gonna switching the way I'm playing and doing stuff in the market here a little bit, especially with this weird like economy situation going on, like trying to play it safe for a little bit. Hey there, Tinku. How's it going? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. How are you doing there? Thank you, Sin. Life gives lemons. Oh, thumbs up. I know, right? Hell yeah. I lived in Washington 12 years, Auburn, Federal Way, moved to Georgia, way warmer here and not consistent rain. Oh, I see, I see. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I used to live in Seattle. At one point, I lived in Seattle for like 6.5 years or so, and then like moved to the eastern Washington part of the state where yeah, it doesn't rain as much over here. Like, but in the wintertime it does get pretty cold. Summertime it's pretty hot, you know. That's kind of what it is over here. What do you do, brother? Oh, what do I do? Like for work, I work construction. I do construction work during the day, and then obviously I started doing this live stream and trading I do on the side type deal. And no question, but I'm curious to ask, Nick, do you have medical? If I have medical, you mean like medical insurance or like is that the question exactly? Like if I have medical insurance, yes, I do have medical insurance. If that's the question. Yep. But yeah, I do construction during the day. I have my own construction company and I work for my own construction company. So that's pretty much what I do. Oh yes, healthcare. Yes, I do have healthcare. Yep. I thought I saved it. Maybe a screenshot. Be right back. Go see. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good there, Ford Rules. But yeah, I do have health insurance. Yep. Let's see. Is there a Ray Ban stock? I could check it out. Let's see. Ray. Let's see. Ray Ban. Let's see. Ray Ban. I don't think it does. So if I click it, it doesn't have it. And then just under Ray, which gives me more options to look at different things, looks like it doesn't have it. And then if I do without the dash, let's see. Looks like it doesn't have it. Unless there's a different ticker for it or something, but it looks like it doesn't have it. Gotta go. Very nice talking to you, Paka. Alrighty, Paka. There's Shasliva, Money Inspiration. Have a good one, man. Thanks for chilling here with us. I didn't renew mine, and it's difficult to get approved now because they want proof of my Robinhood account holdings. Oh, wow, really? That's crazy. They want proof, the insurance wants proof of Robinhood account holdings. That's interesting. And I'm going through some health problems at 30. Oh, wow, I see. That's crazy. That's not cool that they would get rid of your health care. So far, there's no issues with mine. But yeah, I hope you figure it out because that's not cool. Definitely not cool that they're doing that. Okay, let's see. I wake up with joint issue daily. Past a few months, doctor said it is autoimmune disorder. Oh no, that's not good. Yeah, autoimmune disorder. It's not good. That's weird that you should still have insurance. I don't see why they should decline your insurance because of your Robinhood stuff. That kind of doesn't make sense. Why they would do that. I do FX, but I've only just started an investment portfolio. Wish I started it sooner. LOL. Oh, I see. I see. Their life gives lemons. I see. That makes sense. Well, hopefully you do pretty good with the investment portfolio and the FX thing. Their life gives lemons. But it's kind of weird that like about the whole insurance thingy. Let's see. I'm gonna go back to let's see Roth IRA. Let's see. Click back to the go to the trading. Okay, so non-tradable cryptos. See, create launch list. Let's see best dividend stocks, futures, top stocks to trade, metals first. Let's see. I think I haven't added Lyft yet. Let's see. Lyft is a good one to add. LYFT. Especially if it's dipping some more, could be a good potential. Oh, ball stock. I could check that one out here in a second. Yeah, I'll add this one here. Let's see, I'll add this to, let's see, V Nicky S. So that one's pretty much maxed out. Trading, so I'll add this one to the trading. Add $1 to that one. Things going well so far. I have VWRP as my core and a few individual stocks for my satellite, diversified across defense, tech, and finance. Oh, nice, nice. That's awesome. Looks like you're investing pretty smart there. Lives gives lemons. That's awesome. That's all nice. Let's see the VWRP. I could probably add that one too, huh? VWRP. VW. What is it actually exactly? Let's see. Oh, VWRP. Oops. VWRP. Looks like Robinhood doesn't have the VWRP, whatever that is. It's got the VWO, VWOB. Looks like it doesn't have this one. Let's see, Lyft, I added it to the, let's see, one of them. Let's see, we'll probably add some more to the Roth IRA. Hey there, Oregon Productions 9347. How's it going, man? How's it going? Okay, so I added that to that a little bit. Let's see, I should add this one to the trading. Oh, so it is in the trading. Let's see, add that to the with Nicky. Yes, I should add that to that later. Individual. Let's see, individual. I don't have that one yet, so I'll add that one to the individual. Oh, thank you for the gift there, Organ Production. Thank you, man. I'll probably add a little bit to the lift on my main portfolio. Okay, so that's down. Hey there, Bandit Medio. I'm doing good. I'm doing good, man. How you doing? How you doing, man? Okay, so added lift to that one. Let's see. Top mouse to trade. My first list. Energy. See, maybe I should add one of the energy things. Let's see. I gotta see which one. Oh, the B Bloom Energy. That might be pretty decent. A little bit. So it keeps on going up. This one right here. It might maybe keep on going up, but we'll see. Maybe it won't hurt to add a little bit to it. Let's see. I'll add this. The Bloom Energy. I'll add this to the. Let's see. Roth IRA. Add some of this to that. Let's see. Trade buy. Maybe add $1 to this one right here. Bloom Energy. Let's see, then add another one. Let's see which other one should I add here. Maybe one of the I'm not sure which one. There's so much. There's so much different ones. ET thingy. Nice, love. Yeah, BE is pretty nice for sure there, Lance, for sure. I'm trying to see which ones I could add some more of. Wonder what this one, the ET thingy, is about. Like, I remember I used to have it. I still need to add shares. It's a monster though. Oh yeah, that one for sure. The Bloom Energy. Yeah, that one is a monster. That's a crazy ass big monster. So I'll probably add a little bit of this one, whichever one that is. Add this one to my Roth IRA thingy. Okay, Roth IRA, probably add $1 on this one. Okay, ET not supported in IRAs. Oh, that's weird. This one's not supported in the IRAs. I didn't know that, but that's funny. I guess I could add it to a different one. Edit order. So I could edit this one. I could add this one into, let's see, whichever one. Individual or trading. I got some in trading. A trade by one. Let's see. I don't use Robinhood, so I'm unsure which ETFs are available for you, but VWRP is basically S&P 500 plus developed and emerging markets. Oh, I see, I see. So a less risky overall investment compared to the U.S. focus S&P. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Oh, thanks for explaining that to me. That's pretty cool. But yeah, it looks like Robinhood doesn't have that specific one, but it has like obviously the S&P 500, SPY, and other similar stuff to that, but not specifically the one that you're mentioning here. But that's pretty cool though. Thanks for explaining. But yeah, it's weird that like I can't add this one to the like IRAs or the Roth IRAs or anything like that. Like this energy stock, kind of interesting why. But it is what it is though. Let's see which other one could be good here. Nukes range nuclear resistance index. This one might be a good potential. I wonder if this one will they allow this one? So January 24, 2024 is listed. Let's see. Maybe I could try to add this one. Maybe I'll see if they allow it on the in the Roth IRA. Trade by, let's see, by one. Okay, this one they let me. I don't know why they didn't let me add the other energy stock to the Roth IRA. It's kind of weird. Kind of weird and interesting, but I guess it is what it is. I guess it kind of sort of halfway is what it is. Let's see, T-Rex 2X. Okay, this is a leverage one. So 2X long, SMR daily. Okay, let's see what this one is. So SMEP aims to provide 2X leverage exposure to the daily price movement of New Scale Power Corporation stock, NYSE SMR, less fees and expenses. The listed name for SMUP is T-Rex 2X long daily target ETF. Only for the long term, I'm not sure about this one. It's a newly listed one, but it might have some potential. Let's see, this is listed on July 25, 2025. I don't know. Maybe just for the heck of it, I might add $1. I think it won't hurt, especially if I add it on the Roth IRA. Especially if it goes into the Roth IRA. See, fractional shares unavailable. Okay, so I'll do this one. Actually, one share. The shares of this one, they're not that expensive. I'll just get a share of this one. Trade. I don't want to do options right now, but trade, buy. Change this into shares and probably buy one and just kind of see what it does. I can sort of halfway see what it does. Think the government will close. I thought the temp was until 131. If I think the government will close, like I'm not sure. Nobody really knows if it will or not. But like it might. There's a potential obviously for it to close. But like what I think will happen, I don't know. Like even like I don't know whether it is or not. Like I'm the same confused about that one as you are. Like to guess whether it is or not. It's kind of hard to guess at this point. I gotta add some water to my mate. Already out. Already kind of sort of halfway out. Yo, yeah. Let's see, maybe I should add some of the mining stuff here. Nico, what happened to you AMY, bro? IMLIT. To the UAMY? I'm not sure. I gotta go check it out. I got some Nvidia and Google. Saw Pelosi buy a lot. Oh, I see. I see. Yeah, like it's pretty good to follow Pelosi. Like they definitely do the right trades. Like I mean, at least a lot of them. So what happened to the UAMY? What did happen to the UAMY? Let's see. Oops, I clicked on the wrong thing. UAMY. Okay, United States antimony. This one, right? So, it dipped a little bit today, right? 1.56% today, and then after hours, 8.35. Floor pricing chatter. Oh, I see. Diversification is jealous of Nicky's portfolio. I know, right? That's funny there, dear mister. Oh, Meta. I like Meta for the long term. But yeah, what do you mean there, Gucci the Bulldog, about what happened with the UAMY and the IMLIT? Okay, let's see this one. So it dipped here a little bit today. Maybe because it dipped, I could add a little bit to it. Over 20% last week. You buying Reddit? I haven't bought it. I haven't bought it yet. I might add to it. Maybe. I feel like Pelosi follows me. She always blessing my pics. Oh, nice. That's awesome there, Lance. That's awesome. Oh, this passed. You buying Reddit? Let's see. Yeah, Reddit. Maybe I might add some Reddit later. I don't have it right now though. I see diversification is jealous of Nicky's portfolio. Yeah, right now my portfolio, I'm kind of redoing it, like starting from scratch. and like got rid of the margin and kind of starting from scratch on that one. Let's see, I got some Nvidia and Google. Let's see what's up with the. I might get a little bit of this one. Let's see, trade. Actually, I'll get like put it in the Roth. Get at least a minimal amount by, let's see, $1 worth. Okay, and then like let's check out the other one that you had. The I am. I'm not sure which one is the I am. Yeah, I don't know what the I am is for. And then the after the I am is the, let's see. Well, I kind of lost track of it here. Oh, the LIT. Lighter. So I guess it's the LIT, the this one lighter. All this crypto stuff. So I don't have it at the moment, but yeah. Did you just start your Roth IRA? Oh, did I just start it? I need more risk with options. I've been neglecting my long term while trading futures. Oh, I see. Did you just start your Roth IRA? Oh, the feed thingy. Let's see. Well, like no, this is the Roth IRA that I had. I'm just kind of adding stuff to it a little bit, and then like I readjusted the whole portfolio. Let's see, and view medical. So you think this one's pretty decent to have, right? So it's up today 119.87%. That's a lot. Past week 83, 1 month down 14.11, 3 months down 63, year to date down 8, 1 year down 95, 5 years down 99, maximum down 99. So yeah, I'm not sure what to think about this one. Like obviously went up a lot like recently, but what goes up must come down eventually. But to me, it looks kind of risky. Let's see. Obviously, no dividend, no analyst ratings. Let's see. I'll read about it here a little bit. No, bro, I was saying I am. Oh, I'm lit. I see. I was like, sorry. Like I am. Oh, that you're pissed. I see. Wow. But yeah, like especially if you invested in it and went down, yeah, I would be pissed too. There, Gucci the Bulldog. That sucks. I think you should get TPT to reset your pop eval for free. Oh, I wouldn't worry about it. Like I'll reset it, but like I'll just wait a little bit. Like I think I'll reset it. I still got the account and everything, but I'll probably reset it a little bit later. I do like trading on, but it's kind of weird how it glitches like in a weird way sometimes. Like I said, I still like want to trade with it and stuff like that, but I might take a tiny little break from that one at the moment. Floor pricing chatter is affecting most of the critical mineral stocks. Floor pricing. What's floor pricing? What's floor pricing chatter? Or what's floor pricing in general? FYI micro FYI micro silver futures contract margin requirements jacked up to 1600 plus. Damn, that's insane there, Tommy Hawk. That's just a little bit ago it's 1300, now it's 1600. They're really trying to bog down the price rise of silver. That's crazy. Let me go look at futures right now. That's insane. Let's see. Okay, micro copper, micro silver futures. But see if I do one, because I still like, although I reset my portfolio, I could still trade the futures and stuff like that on it. It's just that like right now I don't have the funds to do so. But yeah, one contract. Yeah, you're right. Almost $16,500 margin. That's insane. They're really, really trying to liquidate a whole bunch of people by doing that because it just keeps on going up like crazy. They're really trying to stop the value of silver. They're really trying to bog it down by raising the price on it like crazy. That's insane though. That's totally kind of sort of halfway, literally kind of insane a little bit. And way late. Get out of futures, minerals, metals. Y'all crazy. Y'all crazy. That's funny. And way late. Government wants to set up some type of floor pricing regarding critical mineral stocks, so it's creating a dip. Oh, I see. I see. That makes sense. Floor pricing is like minimum wage. Oh, okay, okay, makes sense. Thank you for explaining there, Gucci the Bulldog. Well, yeah, that's crazy that they're doing that. But yeah, just one contract of silver, just the margin, like it's 16,500 almost. That's insane. 16,487. That's crazy. Like I said, they're really trying to stop the growth of silver. Micro gold. Let's see how much a contract of the micro gold is. So this one's the expiration 2026, April 2026. Let's see if I buy one. So this one they raised it a little bit, just a little bit ago. It's 4 something thousand. Right now it's 5 something thousand, 5,500. So they did raise it up by a thousand roughly, but still like they keep on raising it both for silver and for gold, but for silver a lot more though. It's crazy. That's flipping crazy. Floor pricing is like minimum wage. Oh, I should check out the ball thingy, right? So ball. So today it's down 1.35%. Overnight it's down 0.07%. 1 week it's up 1.50%. 1 month it's up 6.61%. 3 months it's up 12%. Year to date it's up 6.42%. 1 year it's pretty much break even. 5 years it's down 38, and maximum it's up 2,393. So the chart, the pattern looks weird. Like it went up, went down, went up. Like it almost like generally it's going up, you know, but and recently it started going up here too. Floor pricing is the lowest they're allowed to be charging others. If they set a max or start price fixing, it'll really throw things off. Oh, I see. That kind of makes sense. So, Ball Corp engages in the supplies of aluminum packaging for the beverage, personal care, and household products industries. It operates through the following segments: beverage packaging, North and Central America, and packaging South America, and beverage packaging Europe, Middle East, and Africa. EMEA. The beverage packaging North and Central America segment includes multi-year supply contracts to fillers of carbonated soft drinks, beer, energy drinks, and other beverages. The beverage packaging South America segment includes beverage containers in South America and the manufacture of substantially all the metal beverages containers in Brazil. The beverage packaging EMEA segment consists of metal beverages, all beverage containers in Europe, and other packaging materials used by European beer and carbonated soft drink industries. The company was founded by Edmund Burke Ball, Frank Clayton Ball, George A. Ball, Lucius Lorenzo Ball, and William Charles Ball in 1880, and is headquartered in Westminster, Colorado. The listed name for Ball is Ball Corporation. So in Colorado, so this one has a dividend 1.40%. Analyst ratings on this one 61% buy, 39% hold, 0% sell. So it looks kind of decent for the long term. Like the analysts are bullish, but like the chart looks kind of weird. But generally, the maximum it's up. So plus a dividend. So looks like it could have some potential. Let's see. Maybe I'll just add this. Let's see, to my first list. Maybe I'll add this one just for the heck of it. I think it won't hurt if I add this to the Roth IRA thingy. Maybe add this one, not in shares though. Let's see, in dollars if they'll let me. And see what it does on there. But it's got a little bit of a dividend and it goes up a little bit generally throughout time, so might have some good potential. Oh, Goodyear is a good one. Oh, nice. Are you day trading or investing? Well, I do a little bit of all and both, but right now, like I reset my portfolio completely. So Right now, it's more like investing for a tiny bit. Then I'll once I add a little bit more funds, I'll be doing more like day trading, scalping options, and everything else like what I used to do right before. Right now that I reset it, you know. Okay, so good year's a good one. Are you, Lance? Do you think floor pricing could be a good thing or not? Let's see. So, but yeah, I'm doing different types of trading. But right now, I'm just adding like to my holdings. Like I just reset my portfolio here, Lopez D1. So good year. I mean, not Lopez, but Team Mejia. So good year is a good one. Let's see, good year. Looks like it doesn't have it for some reason. Maybe there. What's the ticker symbol for Goodyear? Oh, there it is. GT. I don't know why they didn't have it when I typed it. GT Goodyear. So today's let's see. So today it's down 0.94. Overnight is down 1.37. 1 week it's up 3.44%. 1 month it's up 5.54%. 3 months it's up 31.59%. Year to date it's up 5%. 1 year it's up 2%. 5 years it's down 18. Maximum it's down 59.87. So that's the tire company, right? The Goodyear tire, yeah. So this one doesn't have a dividend. So the analyst ratings on this one, so 50% say buy, 40% say hold, 10% say sell. So like the general chart looks bearish, looks negative. Like the maximum is down 59.87%. 5 years is down 18.16%. So yeah, for the 1 year it's up 2.53. You know, and recently looks like it's been doing pretty good, but like the general chart like bearish for some reason. So and plus it doesn't have a dividend. For me, this one's kind of too risky in that case because no dividend, and then the general chart it's negative. If you look at the percent negative. So in my opinion, non-financial advice, I think it's kind of too risky. It need help. It's in the red. Yeah, this one's in the red. It definitely needs help. Yep. But for me, it's too risky to invest into this one. Like obviously the company's good. You know, they sell tires, put tires on cars and all that stuff, and fix certain things on cars. But like to invest in it's kind of risky, in my opinion. For me personally. Let's see. Maybe I should look at the mines. Let's see. Go back to this. SILJ. Let's see. Amplified Junior Silver Minor ETF. Let's see, it's a mine deal. Maybe I could get some of this one. Maybe I'll wait. Let's see. Nope. I think any catalyst in any direction is good. I just like momentum. Yeah, definitely the momentum is good for sure. Let's see, which one should I add on here? Oh yeah, I should let's see, add some Apple. Definitely add some Apple. Flipping Apple to my Roth IRA because I don't think I have any on there. Maybe add some of that there. Let's see, buy one flipping Apple. Hell yeah, one Apple for the Roth IRA. Hell yeah, some healthy snack for when people get old. You know, it's pretty cool. Actually, since I got Apple, I might add it to a different one here. Let's see. Individual investing, trading. I'll probably add one to the trading here too. Trading, let's see, buy, we'll get one. Alrighty, that's good. Oh yeah, I gotta check out Tesla. Definitely add Tesla. How you know? Huh? I think think any catalyst in any direction is good. How you know? How do I know what their Lopez or what do you mean? I see Tesla's like up to date 0.13%, like overnight it's up. So I'm gonna. So it looks like I do have an order queued in for that's on the individual, but I probably queue in an order for the Roth IRA to have a little bit of Tesla. Buy at least $1 worth in the Roth IRA. Oh, apple, because apples are healthy. Like one apple a day keeps 10 doctors away. The more apples you eat, the potentially healthier you might be, type deal, right? So I gotta pull out some cyber apples from the screen. I gotta do that sometimes a little bit. Good choice, I know, right? For sure, apple, good choice. Let's see, and then I could get some. Let's see, switch this to the TSLL. Switch this to the TSLL and get some TSLL on the, let's see, Roth IRA, the trading. So I got the trading deal here. Probably get a little bit of that on there. Trade buy, $1 worth. Hell yeah. I told you buy IREN in November. Did you listen? Oh, I'm not sure. Hey there, District Trader. I'm not sure if I did, but like recently I sold everything out completely because I redid my portfolio. So I don't think I have it right now. Let's see. IREN. So yeah, today it's up 4.92%. After overnight, it's down 1.24. 1 week, it's up 13. So yeah, recently went up quite a bit. 1 month it's up 51%. So yeah, whoever had it did pretty good here recently. In 1% they made 51% on their money. So that's pretty awesome. 3 months is down 2.39. Year to date it's up 56. 1 year so in 1 year it's up 498%. So yeah, definitely it's a good one. 5 years 121% up, maximum 121. But yeah, like I had it at one point, but eventually I had to sell everything because I readjusted my portfolio. Right now, obviously, I don't have it. So 14 analyst ratings, 79% buy, 14% hold, and 7% sell. So what does this one do exactly? IREN Ltd is a vertically integrated data center business powering the future of Bitcoin, AI, and beyond with renewable energy. It is strategically located in renewable rich fiber-connected regions across the U.S. and Canada. Iran's largest-scale grid-connected facilities are purpose-built for the next generation of power-dense computing applications. The company was founded by Daniel Roberts and William Roberts on November 6, 2018, and is headquartered in Sydney, Australia. The listed name for IREN is Iran Limited Ordinary Shares. So yeah, it does look pretty decent. Obviously there's no dividend, but the dividend doesn't matter. The main thing is you want the growth, and looks like generally the company's growing. If you look at the max, and then just recently it was going up quite a bit, so looks pretty decent. Maybe because right now like I don't have much funds at all. I'm kind of restarting from scratch. I'll probably add a little bit to this one. So right now my buying power is $7.89. Massive growth. Yeah, it looks pretty decent. I could. That's a good one there, District Trader. I could see a lot more growth in that one potentially for the future. It's not a Bitcoin miner anymore. That's their side gig now. Oh, so that's their side gig now. I see. Dan Roberts is the best CEO out there. Oh, nice. Thanks for the tip there, District Trader. Hell yeah. IREN earnings next week. Oh, hopefully he's gonna do very good on the earnings. Thanks for sharing this tip about the IREN, man. That's awesome. Nice of you, man. So like right now, like my portfolio is pretty much empty, so like I couldn't really add too much. HOC data centers, HPC. Let's see. I'm in at 1061. Yeah, if you're in at 1061, you're in at a very, very good deal for sure. You got a good price on it. Oh, if it's going to 130, wow, that's crazy. Yeah, I definitely gotta put more money in and invest some more. Like I could see that potentially happening to this one. Obviously not financial advice, but like I could see that potentially happening. Ripster, EMA Clouds. Yes, yes, I remember you there, District Trader. I remember you. Yes, yes. But yeah, thanks for the tips about all these things here. Again, that's awesome. To take some gains today and held off. I thought Friday sell off, and today after hours this floor pricing news comes out. Can't believe it. Let's see. So HOC data centers, HPC. So HOC, right? Let's see. HOC. Let's see what that one. I'm not sure what the HOC. It's not the HPC, right? Looks like it doesn't have HOC or HPC. Let's see, earnings next week. Massive call flow coming in. Oh wow, 330 by 2028. Wow, that's insane. If it's gonna be 330 by 2028, that's awesome. Good to see you, bro. Hope you're doing well, man. I'm doing good there, District Trader. Hopefully you're doing well too. Like today, I don't have much buying power because I reset my portfolio. If you look at it, see like my investing. I used to have like the what do you call it, the bigger amount here, but I cashed all that out because I was in a margin account and I decided to play it safer. I pretty much took the money out, and to reset it to it not being a margin account, I had to sell everything out and switch it to cash account because I want to play it safer and start putting money back in. So I'll just deposit a little bit at a time and add it to the whatever is worth it to add to. So right now like the buying power is not much. Then I added Nicky SETF to add some stuff that like you guys recommend on here. Obviously I'm adding it to all of the stuff I got, but this one's like more of like what you guys suggest. And then I added the trading account to like add some trades to that one too and do different type of trading. But like I could still do options like because I set it to the cash account. I can't do level 3 options trading, but I could still do level 2 options trading, which is still pretty nice. Then the Roth IRA, obviously I could do options trading on there too, just the level 2, not the level 3. But these VNIC S ETF, I can't do options on that one or the trading. This is just pretty much buying shares for the most part. But yeah, I reset the whole portfolio, and kind of trying to play it a little bit safer. And every day I'll be adding more funds to it and adding more to the stocks and stuff like that. MCW, let's see, MCW. So Mr. Car Wash, I have never heard of that one, but might be good. Let's see. Today it's up 0.19. After hours it's 0.18. 1 week it's down 9.85. 1 month it's down 6.17. 3 months it's up 7.78. Year to date it's down 2%. 1 year it's down 30. 5 years it's down 71%. Maximum's down 71. So it looks kind of risky, especially that it's kind of generally downtrending. Let's see, when was listed. So it's listed on June 25, 2021. But the general downtrend looks kind of risky. I mean, sometimes companies do that for a while, and then eventually some of them go up quite a bit, but not all do. So it's still kind of risky. Some of them just keep on going down and down and down and just, keep on doing that. So it is risky unless you know some crazy information that nobody knows that like is gonna be doing good. That's different, but I don't know anything like that about this company. So the analyst ratings has got an evil number. 666, 66.6% say buy, 27.8% say hold, and 5.6% say sell. So not the greatest, not the worst analyst ratings, but okay. So this one doesn't have a dividend. So Mr. Car Wash, INC engaged in the provision of exterior and interior car cleaning services. It offers car wash locations which consist of two formats: express exterior locations and interior cleaning locations. The company was founded in 1996 and is headquartered in Tucson, Arizona. The listed name for MCW is Mr. Car Wash INC Common Stock. So I mean, looks like a pretty decent company. Car wash, people always wash their cars, but the growth wise, it doesn't have a dividend, and generally it's going down. It seems kind of too risky for me. Have you ever checked out WTF. Or if I ever checked out WTF. Huh, I'm not sure. I think I might have. That's funny. I think I might have, but I'm not sure. WTF, right? The what the fuck stock, right? The WTF stock. So what in financial LTD? It's a banger, bro. Oh, nice. Banger. Hell yeah, let's buy the what the F type deal, right? So one day it's down 1.49%. After hours up 4.40. 1 week it's up 9.83. 1 month it's up 14%. 3 months it's down 26%. Year to date it's up 15. 1 year it's down 5. 5 years, well, it's recently listed, but it's down though. Listed on April 1, 2025. But yeah, I mean, it might have some potential, but so far the general trend on that's kind of down, but it's going up and down pretty crazy. I could look at the chart here. Oh, I needed a laugh. Oh, nice. That's a good laugh. That's a good one, man. But since I'm in here, I want to take a look at it. Let's see. One Financial T is a holding company which engages in the provision of securities, brokerage, and financial technology services. It is also involved in software licensing and related support services, including licensing of trading platform app upgrades and enhancements, maintenance, and other related services. The financial institution. The company was founded on June 25, 2010, and is headquartered in Hong Kong. Listed name for WTF is Watson Financial Limited, ordinary shares. So no dividend on this thing, no analyst ratings, but looks kind of risky a little bit. I think I had it before at one point, but just generally for the long term, it's kind of risky in my opinion. Like I don't know if I would trust to invest in this one. I never knew there was a WTF stock. Oh wow, that's funny. Let's see what the paper thinks. Like I'm not gonna buy it if it says yes, but I want to see what it thinks. Is it worth it to buy the WTF stock? Let's see what the paper says. Finally, paper gets to fly. So the paper's smart. The paper says no, that it's not worth it to buy it. Even if it said yes, I probably wouldn't have bought it. But the paper's kind of sort of halfway smart a little bit because it said not to buy it. So I think the paper knows better. The paper kind of sort of halfway knows better a little bit. It kind of is what it is. You still waiting for metals to go down? Oh, if I'm waiting for the metals to go down, like eventually what goes up must come down, but like how far down nobody knows. But I think there probably would, nothing's a guarantee, nothing's for sure. But I think there probably might be a correction or like a little dip on the metals. It just can't keep on going up forever. Let's see if I click on GLD even, for example, keeps on going up like crazy. But like when you click on the long term, like there's ups and downs. See, if you look at the pattern, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up. Like generally it goes up, that's for sure. But there's sometimes some down points, and then it continues going up. Like generally, I'm bullish on gold and silver, all these valuable metals, but seems to be climbing like crazy. Like I'm still adding a little bit. Like I reset my portfolio. I'm adding a little bit of gold and silver. Then if it does dip, I'll probably be adding more, like depending on how much it dips. But like the general trend, it's definitely up for the gold and silver. But like what I'm saying is, I'm gonna try to get some, like as much as possible on the dips. You can't predict the bottom on the dips, but eventually what goes up must come down, even if it's gonna not go down like crazy. But the dips, I try to buy in the dips. That's kind of what I mean on that one. Okay. I'm pissed. TMQ dipped as well. Oh, for real? I gotta check that one out. Ask paper if gold will go to 6,500. Okay, check out Virgin Galactic Holdings. Okay, I could check it out. Well, I ordered some mate. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. That's awesome there, Barry Pulaski. Some mate. Cheers, cheers to the mate drink. That's pretty cool, man. Healthy stuff. But you still got yet to try it, right? What you buying? What I'm buying? Hey there, T Dizzle. A whole bunch of different stuff. Let's see. So TMQ, yeah, it sucks that TMQ dipped. Let's see, let's check. I'll toss the paper, see about like if gold will go to 6,500. I think later down the road it will, but how far down the road I don't know. But I could ask the paper, see what it thinks. Will gold go to 6,500? Let's see. Will gold go to 6,500? See what the paper says. The paper says yes, so the paper knows it. See, like, and I said like that it will, in my opinion, not financial advice. But the thing is, who knows how long it'll take for it to get there? So the paper kind of knows. The paper kind of sort of halfway knows. Get some HRZN or CRM. Okay, I'll check those out in a second. Let's see, I'll go back a little bit to see the ones I missed to kind of look at. And then I'll check those. Okay, Virgin Galactic. Let's see, TMQ. I'll check that one out real quick. Let's see, TMQ. So TMQ Trilogy Metals. Also, this one dipped, right? Oh yes. So today it's up 0.07%, and then down like after hours 4.71. I think the government does that on purpose. They pump it up like crazy and then they dip it. That's probably what they're doing. But yeah, I mean, looks like something decent for the long term. So six analyst ratings on this one: 33% buy, 67% hold, no dividend. So Trilogy Metals, so I got on my watch list, but I don't got it right now because I sold everything off. Trilogy Metals, INC engaged in the development and exploration of mineral properties. The firm holds interest in the upper cobalt mineral projects and include the Arctic and copper, zinc, lead, gold, silver, and bornite carbonate hosted copper project, which is located in the Ambler Mining District, Northwest Alaska. The company was founded on April 27, 2011. It's headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. Listed name for TMQ is Trilogy Metals, INC. But yeah, it's weird that it dipped quite a bit here just in a little bit of time. But yeah, that sucks that it happened. See, Virgin Galactic Holdings is SPCE. Okay, I could check that one out. Why are you using the chart on Robinhood? Oh, because that's the site that I'm trading on, the app that I'm trading on. Mm. Paper knows, I know, right? Get some HRZN. Let's see, what is HRZN? HRZN. Let's see. Horizon Technologies. So this one's down today 0.07. After hours down 0.07. Past week down 0.74. 1 month it's up 5%. 3 months it's up 9.69. Year to date it's up 2.14. 1 year it's down 27.71. 5 years it's down 51.17. Maximum it's down 58. So you're pretty bullish on this one. I mean, I don't even have it on my watch list or anything. So Horizon Technology Finance Corp, a traded fund, invests in companies located in the United States. The fund targets companies operating in the fields of technology, life science, and substantially sectors. It provides financing for labor stage capital requirements. The listed name for Horizon HRZN is Horizon Technology Finance Corporation common stock. So that's what it looks like that thing is. But I could add it to my list. But to buy it at the moment, I think it's kind of risky. Let's see, the analyst ratings on this one: 16.7% buy, 66.6% hold, and 16.7% sell. But it's got a decent dividend. But like if it's generally trending down, it's kind of risky. That's the only thing. Like it might do well, but nothing's a guarantee. Like I tried to get a more safer one. Let's see, CRM. So CRM, that's a little bit more pricey one. Look at the yield, man. Oh, at the yield, okay. Oh no, CRM, I see. Why you know? So Salesforce. Okay, so today it's down 0.21. Overnight it's down 1.32%. Let's see, 1 week it's up 1.7. 1 month is down 15%. 3 months is down 11. Year to date is down 13. 1 year is down 36. 5 years is down 2%. Maximum it's up 5,900.80. So maximum's up a lot, but I don't know why recently it's kind of downtrending though. But for the maximum, it's up though. Salesforce INC engaged in the design and development of cloud-based enterprise software for customer relationship management. Its solutions include Salesforce automation, customer service and support, marketing automation, digital commerce, community management, collaboration, industry-specific solutions, and Salesforce platform. The firm also provides guidance, support, training, and advisory services. The company was founded by Mark Russell Benoff and Parker Harris in 1999 is headquartered in San Francisco, California. The listed name for a CRM is Salesforce INC. So dividend, it has 0.73% dividend. The analyst ratings on this is 77% buy, 21% hold, and 2% sell. So maybe I'll toss the paper whether I should buy that one or not, right? Let's see, add this to on my list. CRF is good too. Oh, nice. They're buying silver on eBay for above spot. Oh, wow. That's crazy. That's crazy there, Barry Pulaski. But let me see. I'll ask the paper if I should get this one right now. Because I think if I go to the Roth IRA, I still got a little bit of buying power. Trade buy. Dollars. 1/10 ounce round sold for 173.50. Oh wow, that's crazy. How much more higher they're selling for. Silver buyers giving spot plus 10, some of them. Oh wow, that's insane. Crazy, like super crazy value for some reason. Let's see, I'll throw the paper if I should get this one. Let's see, even the minimal amount. Let's see, should I get Salesforce? Let's see, should I get Salesforce? Let's see what the paper says or thinks. So the paper is saying yes. It fell behind this thingy, but it's saying yes. So I guess I could add a little bit, minimal of it, you know. Still a little bit risky, but not too bad since the majority, the maximum, it's up, you know. So I'll add this to the Roth IRA, just $1 worth of it right now. Okay, so that's done right there. Let's see, which other one? CRF. Let's check out CRF. Okay, CRF, Cornerstone Total Return Fund. Okay, so this one here. Let's see, I want to look at the chart. So today it's down 0.69%. After hours, it's up 0.06%. 1 week it's down 0.97%. 1 month is down 0.94%. 3 months down 1.25%. Year to date it's down 1.71%. 1 year it's up. 1 year it's down 9.39%. 5 years down 19%. Maximum is down 91%. It's kind of like on the downtrend for the most part. It's kind of weird. Let's see, so there's no dividend on this one. Cornerstone Total Return Fund, INC, operates as a closed-end investment fund which engages in seeking capital appreciation with current income. The company was founded on March 16, 1973 and is headquartered in Cincinnati, Ohio. The listed name for CRF is Cornerstone Total Return Fund, INC. Okay, I mean, that generally looks kind of risky. If the general trend is towards the downside, like it's kind of risky, in my opinion. Obviously, not financial advice. It could reverse and go up potentially, but nobody knows. It's just kind of risky. Seems risky to me, unless somebody knows some better information about it. Oh, CRF pays 11 cents per month. Oh, nice, nice. Like as a dividend out of the one share. Yeah, over here, see if you click on like the yield, like it doesn't show anything that it pays. But if it does pay something, that's pretty decent. But sometimes if it does pay something, it's kind of like if it pays you, but then the value wise it's going down, so it's kind of doing reverse of what it should do, you know? Like sometimes, yeah, it pays something out, but then if it generally goes down, kind of doesn't make any sense, that much sense. I mean, like if you play it right, you could still potentially make some money on it. but it seems kind of risky in my opinion. I bought 15 ounces for $528. Oh wow. So like that's probably hopefully that's a good deal there that they got there, Barry Pulaski. 528. Hell yeah. And hopefully it keeps on going up like crazy. But for the long term, I think gold and silver will be keep on going up. But short term dips, like I said, I'll try to get more of the gold or silver on the short term dips. So let's see which other one. IP. So IP is a different one. Why you're using Robinhood? Let's see. Is that LP? LP or IP? LP, LPG or IP, right? Oh, international paper. International paper. Oh, I think this paper wants to go international. International paper. I gotta ship it off to another country. Flipping international paper. Here, there we go. It is what it is. But anyways, let's see. International Paper Co. engages in the business of producing renewable fiber-based packaging and pulp products. Operates through the following segments: industrial packaging, global color, loose fibers, and corporate and in intersegment. The industrial packaging segment is involved in the production of fiber-based packaging that protects and promotes goods, enables worldwide commerce, and helps keep consumers safe. The global cellulose fibers segment offers a wide range of applications like diapers, towel, and tissue products, feminine care, incontinence, and other personal care products that promote health and wellness. The company was founded by Hugh J. Chisholm in 1898 and is headquartered in Memphis, Tennessee. The listed name for IP is International Paper Co. So, okay, so today it's down 1.82. After hours is down 4.06. Let's see, past week is down 7%. 1 month is down 0.10. 3 months is down 17%. Year to date it's up 0.63. 1 year is down 32.42. 5 years is down 23. And the maximum is down 14.97%. What the hell there, international paper? Why are you underperforming? Like, look at that. You're down 14.97%. What a shame. Bad grade there, flipping international flying paper. Whatever, it is what it is. I mean, I know it's not talking about that paper, but I don't know. It seems kind of, it's got a decent dividend, like 4.38%. That's not too bad. 16 analyst ratings on this one, 62.5% buy, 25% hold, and 12.5% sell. So not the greatest, but the dividend's pretty decent. I mean, might be a potential. So maybe I could add it to the dividend list. Let's see. Maybe add it later. Let's see, where's the top? Dividend, best dividend stocks. I could add it to that, if you want like dividends out of it, but I'm not sure how worth it is it, you know? Let's see, try wall paper is no good. Everything's electronic now. Oh, I see. Hail paper. I know, right? Oh, hey there, available gangs. How you doing, man? Worth 1,768. Take a look at the AGNC. They paid 0.12 per share per month. Oh wow. CRF pays 11 cents per month. SPCE. How you doing there, available gangs? How you doing, man? Let's see, if you trust in the paper, then trust in that's that's you're funny there, Lopez Z1. Hail the paper. Paper's no good. Everything's electronic now. Try wall. AAOI. I like that paper company. Oh, never mind. Everyone needs toilet paper. Everyone needs toilet paper. I know, right? Exactly. Paper in general, like still, it's needed. Let me see that dividend stocks list. AAOI. Try ABR. AB. Try ABR2. I see. Good evening, bro. Oh hell yeah! Glad to hear that, man. SPCE, like I said, my goal is 3K per month dividend. Yeah, like 3K per month dividend. That'll be pretty cool for sure. But yeah, the list of dividend stocks. Let me see. I could show the one I got here. Let's see. I'll just click on the Nicky S ETF. I see dividend stocks. I'll show the ones that I got on the list, but like obviously I don't have all of them or whatnot. So I got a list of 27 items here for the best dividend stocks on my list. So I got this one. I think that's probably one of the ones I added. IP, so IEP, DX, ABBV, ORC, VBIL, CONY, JEPQ, JEPI, PLTW, AGNC, CLM, BSM, BBR, CALM, FR, ZIM, CKHGY, LLY, PLL, WM, SPG, UNP, SGOV, BTCI, QQQI, and SPYI. So these are pretty much all the ones on the list that I got here. All the ones I got. SCHG got a bunch of them. Oh, nice, nice. SCHD, I think it's a pretty good one for the long term for sure. I see. Another one I like in general is the Walmart stock, but I like to try to add it like on the dips. I'm not sure where it's at right now. So it is kind of dipping, so it might be a good opportunity for me to add a little bit. But I think, in my opinion, not financial advice, I think it might be dipping some more. I don't know. Try to add it like if possible at like near the 100 even area, and then if it dips more than that, probably add a whole bunch more to that. But at the moment, it did dip a little bit from the all-time highs, so I might add a little bit. Let's see, I'll add some to the Roth maybe. Add $1 to that one because my buying power is like almost gone. So I like that one for long term. Yes, exactly. Just don't use leverage for sure. Be careful investing in yield max. You can lose money. Ask me how I know. Oh, for sure. How do you know that he does like by experience? Like for sure, it's risky. Definitely risky. Let's see. So Walmart, I added on that one. Let's see. I might add Walmart to the trading thingy too here. Okay, to the trading. I have like 300 bucks in leverage stuff, but I'm gambling with it. So, oh, okay, I see. AAOI. Okay, let's check out AAOI. So, oops, clicked the wrong thing. So, applied optoelectronics. So, that one. So, I got on my watch list. Obviously, I don't have any of it right now. So, applied optoelectronics. So, today it's up 20.95%. Overnight is down 1.89%. Past week it's up 13%. 1 month it's up 19%. 3 months it's up 20%. Year to date it's up 18%. 1 year it's up 76.91%. 5 years it's up 325%. Maximum it's up 343%. So as long as it's moving up, that's pretty good. So applied optoelectronic IC engages in the design and manufacture of optical communication products. Its products include optical devices such as laser diodes, photodiodes, related modules, and circuitry and equipment for applications in fiber to the home cable television point-to-point communications and wireless. The company was founded by Chi Xiang Lin on February 28, 1997. It's headquartered in Sugar Land, Texas. The listed name for AAOI is Applied Optoelectronics INC Common Stock. Okay, so there's no dividend on that one. The analyst ratings on this one is 71.4% buy, 14.3% hold, and 14.3% sell. So still pretty decent analyst ratings. So might be a good potential buy. Let me see. Like I don't have any more room on the Nicky S ETF, but I could add it into one of these. Maybe the trading one. I could add it to that one. or I could ask the paper if I should add that one or not. I have it on my watch list though, but to add it, I'm not sure if it's. I mean, it is going up for the long term. For the general trend is going up. That's the good thing about this one, So it might keep on doing that. So obviously not financial advice, but it might keep on moving up. But let me see. I'll throw the paper if it's worth it to add this one right now or not. Let's see. Applied, especially that it went up recently quite a bit. Like right now, like it might maybe go down some more, but who knows? Let's see. I'll ask the paper. Should I get some of the AAQI? Let's see what it says. Or is that apply AAOI? Yeah. Should I get some AAOI at the moment? Let's see what it says. Oh, it flew under the shoe dryer thing, and it said yes. So I guess I could add a little bit of that one to it. Okay, let's see. So I could add a little bit of this one to the trading. Get one more dollar here. Okay, and then got an order queued for that one on the trading. So I got a little bit less. So I got one more dollar I could put in on the individual account, and then I got $4.89 I could add to the Roth IRA. And then we'll see what it does. See what it all does. Just hit 52-week low today. Oh wow, so you like when the general trend is going up, but I'm curious, would you invest in AMC? I could check it out. Does that have option trading in on AAOI? Let's see, option trading on the AAOI. Yeah, AAOI does have the options for that to trade options because this is on the individual account. So yeah, it does have options right there. Let's see. So just hit it. You like when general trends up, but I'm curious, would you invest in AMC? I could check it out. Just if it's 2-week lows. SPCE, please. LOL. Okay, I could check that one out too here, Nathan, in a little bit. I'm gonna check the AMC first, but I mean, some things like if the general trend is not up, sometimes it's worth it to buy. Depends on what it is, you know. So AMC, obviously, the general trend will be down because I think I checked it before multiple times. But if it's worth to invest into this, so yeah, 1.45. You said it's close to the 52-week low, right? 52-week low, 1.41. 52-week high is 4.08. So in my opinion, like if it's at a 52-week low, it might, like, still risky, but it might have a chance, potential to go up. In my opinion, seeing that a lot of people are seeing this, and they might try to get in just because they see it's a 52-week low. They might try to go in just because they think it might go up. That if a lot of people think the same, that could make the stock bounce. If they're thinking kind of similarly to what you're thinking, to like if it's a 52-week low, potentially a lot of people are thinking the same thing. If they start getting it, just in case if it does go up, it might go up. But in general, in my opinion, it's still kind of risky, but obviously it's a pretty common stock, pretty common company, so like it has potential, but still kind of risky. But there might be a little jump because it's at a 52-week low. I mean, none of this financial advice or anything, but like it is risky, but it has some potential, to go up from here. Nothing's a guarantee though. It's still risky. Like long term investing in it, I'm not sure if I would, but maybe kind of short term might do something. AMC down 99% from max. Oh, I see. 99% from max. Yep, you're right. Almost 99 over here. It says 98.81, but yeah, that's crazy. It's down quite a bit. WHR will help me for sure. Oh, nice. Okay, so let's see. Where's SPCE? So did I forget one of those things here? Okay, SPCE, right? I could check that one out. Okay, SPCE. Oops, SPCE. Okay, Virgin Galactic. Okay, let's see. So today it's down 3.65. After hours, it's up 1.48. 1 week is down 0.32. 1 month it's down 2.22. 3 months is down 25.98. Year to date it's down 3.99. 1 year it's down 38. 5 years is down 99.58. Maximum is down 98.55. So obviously the general trend is kind of down, but like looking at the general chart, you could see the big like green volume candles over there, or like that might mean like potentially, in my opinion, might eventually start going back up, but that's not a guarantee though. Let's see, no dividend. So the analyst ratings on this: 25% buy, 50% hold, 25% sell. So not the greatest ratings. Virgin Galactic Holding Inc. is an aerospace and space travel company which engages in the provision of consumer space experience using reusable spaceflight systems. The firm is also involved in designing, developing, and manufacturing ground and flight testing, spaceflight operation, and post-flight maintenance of spaceflight systems. The company was founded on May 5, 2017, as headquartered in Tustin, California. The listed name for SPC is Virgin Galactic Holdings Inc. So it looks like it does kind of have like what it's in, like the space technology and all that stuff, pretty decent, pretty bullish. So it, although the general trend on it's kind of down, but I could see this one having more potential, because the space stuff is kind of in kind of a high priority a little bit right now. So I'm not sure if it's gonna go up like that, like crazy, where you see those crazy numbers. I'm not sure. That's pretty crazy, but it looks like it might go back up eventually. So this one does have potential, in my opinion. Not financial advice. Although yeah, the analyst ratings are not the greatest. Doesn't have a dividend, but like I said, it might have some potential. Not a guarantee. Nothing's a guarantee, but it might have some potential. Uh, Maybe I should throw the paper, see what the paper says, right? Mango to go. Hey Nicky, I'm a little nervous about space. Can you comment on how these companies make money? Oh, how the companies make money? It depends. Like, It's hard to say. Like, somehow they do make money, and like especially if the company like kind of like before it was like a race to space, like U.S. against Russia or whatnot, and then right now like not just that, but like I don't know, like people, I don't know how like it makes money, but somehow it does. Government, I guess, invests in it, like government money, so there's like I can't explain the details, but there's ways that they make money. It is risky, but it does have potential though, especially if it's like a private company and or something like that, and they need to use their whatever they make. Like I don't have too much details to, I don't have a lot of inside information or anything, but it might do well. Nothing's a guarantee. Yeah, I think Lance Briefcase is right. They don't really make that much money. It's kind of risky, but still, like there's companies, other companies, people that invest in it, and government that pays for a lot of that space technology and space stuff, because they use space and satellites and all that stuff too. So it's crucial for the government. So in general, it's useful. Kind of like Musk uses space. He puts the satellites in space, and then you get like satellite phones, and right now they might maybe start making where normal phones will be able to use some of that satellite, uh, what do you call it, waves, and be able to talk or text from anywhere in the world. Eventually maybe they might bring that to maybe all phones. I'm not sure, but it's space technology is pretty useful right now in high demand. So not all space companies will do good, in my opinion. Some will, some won't. Kind of depends, like any other company. Some companies do good, some companies don't. But like regardless, it's very risky. Like you see, click on the max here. Like it's down 98.56%. Like it might keep on going down, but like these two big green candles on a big chart like gives it some hope that it might actually start recovering and potentially going back up. You know, nothing's a for sure deal, but anything could happen. Do you think SpaceX will be public? I think at one point Elon Musk's trying to make that happen, so I think he will. It's not a for sure thing, but I think he'll make that happen. I'm telling you, it's a perfect buy. This guy is literally working, literally working. I'm making hovercraft for the public. Is working on making hovercraft for the public. Oh wow, that's crazy. Hovercraft for the public. That's pretty cool. But yeah, I think SpaceX might eventually be public for to be traded publicly. Musk is really trying to do that. Not a guarantee. Nobody knows for sure if that's going to happen, but he's trying to make that happen. So I think it might happen. So it's like more defense strategy. For the space, a lot of it a lot of it is partly for the defense too. You're right. The stock was created by the guy that started Virgin Mobile Phones. He's had 60 businesses, and every single one of them has been a success. Oh, nice, nice. That's pretty cool. WHR is a bit of a dividend trap, though. I've owned for a couple of years, and I think there's better opportunities. Okay, I see. That makes sense, Lance. Thanks for the information. Right now is the best buying opportunity. Read the description of the wow AMC. AGPAAS, SILJ, GDX, and EM, B, gold and silver and mining. Oh, nice. Thank you there, that guy, Brooke. That's the place that you're in, right? The one that you just said on here, the AG, the PAS, CD, E, and all those. That's pretty cool. I'll take a screenshot of that so that when I get a chance, I could look at some of those. That's pretty cool. That's definitely pretty cool. I'm making hovercraft. Maybe I'll throw the paper and see if the paper thinks it's worth it to get this one or not. Because I think, let's see, in the Roth IRA, I got some money that I could invest in. Let's see, is it worth it to get Virgin Galactic Holdings right now? Let's see what the paper says. Is it worth it to DCA into Virgin Galactic Holdings? Let's see what the paper thinks. Yes or no? So at the moment, the paper's saying no, but we'll see. Anything could happen though. Short term is probably that, but it has potential. You know, nothing's a guarantee, but it has potential, in my opinion. ADT, do the math, man. 60 businesses, none of them failed. Why would this one? Oh, I'm not saying that this one would fail. Like I'm actually saying that this stock has potential. You know, like even looking at the general chart, like the whole thing, it was up quite a bit more, but you could see it's down. But you could see the big green volume candles over there, like that means it has good potential of going back up to a certain point. You know, like just at the moment, the paper said no. Who knows? Maybe it might dip a little bit more before it does decide to go up. I don't know. Nobody knows. You know, but like I said, it has potential. Let's see, ADT. Actually, I could add it to my watch list at least. You know, let's see, top stocks to trade. I'll probably add it to this one. Let's see, ADT. So ADT. So ADT is 795 right now. So today it's down 0.19%. After hours is down 0.06%. 1 week it's down 2.51%. 1 month it's down 1.97%. 3 months it's down 7.99%. Year to date it's down 1%. 1 year it's up 4.88%. 5 years it's down 11%. Maximum is down 37%. Kind of interesting. ADT engaged in the provision of security, automation, and smart home solutions. Its Products include security panels, security cameras, ADT mobile application, identity theft protection. The firm also offers home security systems, fire and life safety, smart home automation security for renters, and multifamily solutions and services. The company was founded in May 2015 and is headquartered in Boca Raton, Florida. The listed name for ADT is ADT Inc. So this one has a dividend 2.76%. Analyst ratings 50% buy, 50% hold. So yeah, looks like it's got the dividend, but like generally it's not moving up in general for the most part. Yeah, it has some upsides here and there, but for the most part, like maximum is down 37%. 5 years down 11%. 1 year it's up 4.88. So you might be able to do okay, and it kind of depends on where you get it. So it does have potential though. I could add this to the dividend. Let's see, best dividend stocks. I could add it to that one. Like growth wise, doesn't seem that great, but if you want it for the dividend, and if you get it at the right time, you might be able to squeeze something out. In my opinion, obviously not financial advice, but has some potential too if you play it right. TRX stock. Let's see. It costs 600,000 for a ticket once he launches his program. Oh wow, yeah. So yeah, if he launches his program and he'll take the tourists to space, that thing could literally, like the previous company that we looked at, the space company, that thing could literally shoot up like crazy once that happens, and then people will be like, oh man, like we should have got in, and then too late, type deal. So that thing could definitely happen. 50-50, do you get that a lot? 50-50, do you get that a lot? 50-50, yeah, 50-50 is like kind of like part of the stock market. It is literally kind of 50-50. You never know exactly what's gonna happen. That's funny. Let's see, TRX stock, right? Let's check out TRX. So I'm not sure if that's the right one, TRX. So it can't be traded on Robinhood. Only real-time market data is available. So that's weird. It's not tradable on here. Whatever this thing is, it's not tradable on here for some reason. Kind of weird. Unless, oh, I think I looked at the wrong thing. The TRX Gold, right? I looked at the wrong thing. There's two TRXs. One is, I don't know what that was. This one here is gold. But yeah, this TRX here, the gold one. So today it's up 26.97%. After hours, it's up 7.25. 1 week it's up, yeah, 1 week it's up 114.51%. That's a lot. That's crazy. 1 month it's up 121.89%. 3 months it's up 226.34%. Year to date it's up 130. 1 year it's up 565%. 5 years it's up 199%. Maximum it's up 360%. So this is listed on November, or regardless, like 2000. Let's see. So July 31, 2017, roughly listed. So TRX Gold Core engages in the exploration, development, and production of mineral property interests in the United Republic of Tanzania. It focuses on Buckgrave Gold Project, which is located in the Gaida district of the Gaida region south of Lake Victoria. The company was founded by James E. Sinclair on July 5, 1990, and is headquartered in Oakville, Canada. The listed name for TRX is TRX Gold Corporation. So kind of like one of them mining type deals, almost looks like. Production of mineral property. So I could probably add this to the mining type deal, I guess, mining. And then, oh shit, the phone battery's dying. And then I could Maybe I should ask the paper if I should add this one right now or not. Let's see, to the maybe Roth IRA thingy. Maybe I should ask it. So it doesn't have a dividend, but as long as if there's growth, it might have some potential. But it recently went up quite a bit, so might be still a good opportunity. But what goes up must come down, so who knows? I'll ask the paper if it's worth to add it right now or not. Let's see, should I add the TRX? Let's see what it says. Should I add the TRX? Let's see what the paper says. So at the moment, the paper says no. Maybe because it already did go up so much recently. Maybe it just wants to play it safe a little bit. Maybe that's what the paper thinks. It kind of sort of halfway wants to play it safe a little bit. Kind of sort of halfway wants to play it safe a little bit. Yes, sir, I traded it earlier. Oh, nice. That's awesome. Hopefully he made some money on it there. Green Solution 28826. That's pretty cool. But yeah, it does look pretty good. I like this one for the long term. You know, like if I click on the maximum, it's still the maximum is going up, 360% up. So yeah, it looks like it does have some pretty decent potential. Short term, like it might dip because it went up so much so fast. The paper wants like 5 holdings, got most in your Roth. I know, right? Like five holdings at the most in your Roth. For sure, I know, right there, Lance? And it has options. Oh, this one has options. Yeah, it does. So that's pretty cool that it does have options. That makes it better. It will follow gold. Oh yeah, I think so. It's like if it'll follow gold, but because you're in this one, it could not just follow it, but you could potentially make more money on it because it has a more likelihood or of multi-xing because it's such a small stock, you know. Best long-term bargain we can get. I kind of agree with that one too. Like I might maybe add some more of this one maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow if I don't forget. Right now, because the paper said no, I'll not add it. But regardless, I don't have too much buying power left because I reset my account and I'm starting with a little bit. But this one does look pretty good for the long term. Actually, I gotta plug in my phone because it's almost dead. It's almost flipping dead. Let's see. Let's plug in the phone thingy here. And look at the gold dipping. It's the gold's dipping. Look at that red candle. It's dipping like crazy. Flipping gold. I don't know why, but it'd be dipping like crazy. Gold over 5,500 and silver over 117. It's unreal price action on metals. It's making me a little nervous. Oh yeah, it is insanely high for sure. Nuclear stocks will run for years. I kind of agree with that one too with Tyler, the nuclear stocks that they'll run. I think so too. So DNN, right? Let's check out DNN. But look at the gold candle. That's the gold thing you dip in there like crazy, you know, at the moment at least. But yeah, let's check out DNN. So DNN is Denison Mines. So that one's I think I have it added to my watch list. Probably the mining watch list. So today it's up 9.39%. After hours, it's up 1.39%. 1 week it's up 14%. 1 month it's up 60%. 3 months it's up 47. Year to date it's up 49. 1 year it's up 144%. 5 years it's up 518. Maximum is down 65. But yeah, like this one does looks like it has a good opportunity. Because yeah, if you look at the max, sometimes if you look at the max and it's down, but then you could see the volume building back up, so it has a potential to go back up pretty decently, in my opinion. Not financial advice, you know, because nothing's always, you know, the same thing. So no dividend on that one. Analyst ratings on this one is 100% buy, so that's pretty decent. Let's see, Denson Mines Corp engages in the exploration and development of uranium. The firm has interest in the Athabasca Basin, Wheeler River, Midwest Project, McLean Lake, and Waterbury Lake. The company was founded on May 9, 1997. It's headquartered in Toronto, Canada. The listed name for DNN is Denison Mines Corp. Yeah, this one definitely looks like it's got some good potential. I might add this one. Although like on the max it's down, but something like this I don't mind sometimes owning because let's see, add this to the Roth at least because uranium or whatever, like it has a good potential to grow, and recently it looks like it did. So I'll probably add a little bit to this one, to the Roth IRA. And then I'm gonna do a reverse type deal, because I usually ask the paper first. Now, since I got it right now, I'll ask the paper right now that like if I should have bought it or not. Let's see what the paper says. Should I have bought Denison Mines or not? Let's see what the paper thinks. The paper agrees. The paper says yes that I should have bought it. See, I did a reverse paper like technique, and it still said yes that I should have bought it, and I did. So I worked out the paper and I we like thought the same this time. It worked out. So at first I bought, then I asked the paper, and the paper agreed. So it kind of worked out a little bit in this case. Oh, hey there, Maslow. How you doing, man? How are you doing? By NAMM. So you're bullish on NOM there, Maslow? You are a up right now. Oh wow, that's crazy. I could check that one out too. If you want to join my group, let me know. Okay, sounds good, man, Maslow. Thank you. Okay, so you're saying NAMM, right? Let's check it out. NAMM. So Namib Minerals. So Namib Minerals. So this one's up to date 35.88%. After hours, it's up 4.69%. 1 week, it's up 161.72%. So yeah, this one's going up like crazy. 1 month, it's up 566.67%. Damn. 3 months, it's up 233%. Year to date, it's up 550%. 1 year, so it's recently listed, obviously. Here it's listed on June 4, 2020, yeah, June 4, 2025 is when it's listed. So it's like a fairly new company, but yeah, it looks like at one point it was like pretty high up. But if it's gonna go back up to where it was, that could be a good potential to get in. That could be a good potential. Okay, let's see. So I could add this one. Let's see, mining. I'll probably add this one to the, what do you call it? I gotta add this to the Roth at least. Let's see, Roth IRA. I got a little bit more left on that one. Trade buy. $1 worth for now. Do you have like every stock in the world? Hey there, Brittany. Like I don't think so, but like probably working on it. 17% plus. Oh, nice. Something is wrong with my trade evade. It's lagging on gold price. Oh, really? That's crazy. Well, that's the trade evade right there. I mean, it's running. It is kind of glitchy, but yeah, like just recently that big red candle gold dipped like crazy here, and then it's starting to go back up a little bit. But yeah, it's maybe it finally decided to dip a little bit. I don't know. Maybe I could do some puts, but that's still risky, because going against the trend. Gold and silver generally go up, but sometimes they go down. Oh, Nike thingy. Nike might be kind of decent. It's got dividends and depends on how it does. Kind of risky though. Let's see. Buy GIT. So you think GIT is a good one too for the long term, right? Let's see. GIT. So GIT, like I'm not sure like which one it is. Is it the GitLab, the GTLB, or GITS, Global Interactive Technologies? So like Is it that GitLab there, Maslow? Is that something else? Let's see. Try the Nike, right? So for the maximum chart on Nike, it's up 983%. 5 years is down 55%. 1 year is down 17. Year to date is down 1.49. 3 months is down 8.50%. 1 month it's up 1.58. 1 week is down. 1 day it's down 1.35, and overnight it's up 1.13. So Nike as a company, it's a pretty good company. I like it and stuff like that. It's got pretty decent dividend, 2.55%. Like I think it's a good potential buy, but kind of risky at the same time. I know the owner, the CEO of Apple, he bought like invested like a whole bunch in Nike. It kind of made it go up a little bit. But it is, in my opinion, still kind of risky. I mean, like it's a good brand. Like a lot of people use it, like it, and wear it, and all that stuff. But as like growth for the company, I'm not sure how well it's gonna do growth wise. I mean, it might go up, but how fast? I don't know. Dividends, it's something that you could collect while you have it. I gotta drink some coffee here. I'm not saying it's totally bad investment or anything like that, but I'd rather like me personally invest in something a little bit safer. I mean, maybe later I might add a little bit just for the heck of it. So it's not bad or anything. Has potential. It's good. You could collect dividends from it, but like growth wise, if you had it, even if you invested it like 5 years ago, you would have lost like more than half your money if you were in it. Obviously it pays dividends on top of that, but yeah, 5 years you could have been down quite a bit in it. 1 year you would have been down 17%, like on that. So yeah, it kind of depends on how you see it. It's kind of risky in my opinion, like especially if you want to grow your money kind of fast, but still has potential. But if you day trade or scalp it, you could do pretty decent because obviously it moves up and down quite a bit. It's got volatility. But for the long term, it kind of depends on how you see it. Might be pretty good. I love to be used as a human toilet. Man, who needs cookies? I love to be used as a human toilet. Why is that there, man? Who needs cookies? Value buy Nike could bounce, but there's definitely safer upside potential. Got to be overly selective with Roth. Oh yeah, for sure. Like yeah, definitely like you said, Nike could bounce, but like especially right now with the potential wars, like especially in that's in Iran right now, it's starting to break out and all that weird stuff. If that's really for sure true or not, I don't know, but if that's the case, it could affect a whole bunch of these companies to the downside some more. So definitely got to be careful on what you buy or invest in. Like still like Nike in general, I like the company. Like most people like it and stuff like that. But and then like when to invest at the right time, that's another thing you got to look at. With everything that's going on right now, try to make the plays in the market as safe as possible for sure. Bro, look at hyperliquid. Oh, the what do you call it? The crypto, right? Well, I like Nike. I might get some of it later down the road just for the heck of it. Not a lot, but a little bit I think won't hurt. I think it'll be pretty cool. Okay, hyperliquid. So like yeah, it kind of dipped a little bit here, like 4% down today. Past week, oh, for the past week, it's up 46.19%. So for the week, it did pretty good actually. That's a pretty decent jump. Past month, it's up 23.64%. 3 months, it's down 29%. 1 year, it's up 43.29%. 5 years, which is not around for 5 years, but it's up 126.51%. Past 5 years, which means since November 29 or December 27, 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. 2024. It ran 40% last few days. Yeah, that's crazy. Do you know what it is? Oh, do I know what this crypto is? Well, I could read and see what it says about it. So right here it says Hype is a native token of the Hyperliquid blockchain, a layer one network designed for high speed decentralized trading. So for trading, people use it a lot for trading, so I could see how it could potentially boost it up, you know. It powers governance, staking, and gas fees within the Hyper EVM ecosystem. So, like, I could see if it has uses, some kind of uses. People trade like crazy all the time. It could boost it up in that case. But yeah, like recently went up like crazy. I could see past month up 23%. 1 week it's up 46.03%. One day obviously it's down, but generally for the 1 week it's up a lot. And the thing is, I was in it. I sold out just a little bit ago, like out of everything, because I'm starting my portfolios from scratch. NQ trying to run. Oh, nice, nice. It does 3M a day in fees. Oh wow, that's crazy. 3M, that means like 3 million a day in fees. That's insane. I could see how the crypto coin thing you could bounce a lot because of that. That's insane. But I think I might start adding some more crypto, like once I start adding more funds into this account, because like I said, I recently liquidated. Like my buying power is like almost nothing. Let's see if I, and a lot of my accounts, like for the most part, I could only buy what do you call it, crypto with my main account. With the other ones, I can't. So right here, like you could see, so I could only buy crypto with my main account, which is this one. I switched it to a cash account. It was recently a margin account. I switched it to a cash account, so I'm starting from scratch the investment thingy. But the Roth IRA, I couldn't buy crypto on that and on any of these because these are the new accounts I just started to do some trades on. But with this one, I could, but I gotta add more money to be able to add some cryptos a little bit here and there. Long in play on NQ. Oh, so you're long in the play on NQ right there, Lance? Sorry, logo of Nike in the snow while taking a walk the other day. Oh, really there, Lopez? That's kind of interesting. Wow. Best of luck, man. Gold, silver, Bitcoin hype versus the devaluing dollar. Oh, I know, right? For sure, they're that Basel record. Would you trade futures? Brian Wood Holdings. Oh, if I would trade futures, yeah. Like I've traded for a while. I was in, like trading it yesterday and all these days before in the prop firm, but like it was glitching out like crazy, and like it glitched out to where I got kind of stopped out of the account. Like so, I got to reset it. So in case instead of resetting, I'm kind of taking a break from that. I'm watching the chart on it, but yeah, I do like futures, and I used to trade a whole bunch of it recently on the Robinhood. So like I am planning to trade it some more. I'm just kind of wanting to have a little break from futures right now. But I do like it though. I do like it and I want to trade it some more. But like I said, I'm not give it a little bit, like have a little break from it a little bit right now. So that's the micro gold. You can see how high it went up like crazy. Just today it's up 4.53%. Like that's crazy on the futures gold. That's hell of a lot. That's insane. But so far on the prop firm account, like I haven't passed the prop firm yet on the take profit trader. Like I said, like I might try it in a little bit later. Try to pass it again, but maybe take a little bit of a break from it right now. Can you explain how? Can you explain how it works, please? Oh, can I explain how futures works? Well, for example, like futures, if you want to trade futures, this is a gold, the micro gold that's on Robinhood. So to trade this one right now, you do one contract. One contract of this is like the margin requirement to do the trade is $3,526. But this one you could trade around the clock, almost around the clock, 23 hours a day. My time here, like it starts at 3 o'clock and closes at 2 o'clock in the evening. So 23 hours a day it's open. Then it's closed Friday at 2 o'clock, and reopens back at Sunday 3 o'clock my time, Pacific time, or whatever time it is where I am at. But there's a whole bunch to explain, but I'm kind of just in short words saying how it works a little bit here. Oh, Meta. I like Meta for sure. You gonna buy any hood coming into earnings? Super cheap price right now. Let's see. Oh, Meta. Yeah, like I recently sold everything because like I reset my account like to start from like almost nothing. So yeah, I like Meta. It did run up quite a bit here recently, but like I have a little cute order, like the minimal, to get back in. But like yeah, I got out of it right now. I'm gonna start readjusting. Like I said, I could see this going up higher, but I just wanted to play it safe. So I sold out everything and switched my margin account to a cash account to play it safer, and then going that route. But yeah, I do like Meta for the long term. Let's see, do I have it in the Roth? Looks like I don't have it in the Roth here, so I might add it to my Roth IRA. I do like Meta for the long term for sure. Add this one to it. I'm talking about hood. I like the hood. How do you reset the account? Oh, like let's see. Why is XRP and Bitcoin moving the same exact pattern? Why is XRP and Bitcoin? Oh, because they're cryptos. Like a lot of the cryptos, most cryptos, they follow each other's movement. See, we'll talk about hood. Yeah, I like hood for the long term. There, Paul B1361. I actually might have to start adding to my position. So I'll drop some options, maybe to some options. Let's see. So you're saying how do you reset account? So like I didn't actually reset it. Like what I did is like I had most of my money like on this investing account. I had like almost 39,000. So I sold out of all my positions. I had like all the options, all the stocks, companies, cryptos. I sold everything out. Then I let that money settle. Then after it settled, like I put it in my bank, and right now like I because it was in the margin account, I switched it to cash account so I could play it safer. And right now I'm adding a little bit at a time. And I like with the cash account, and then I added a couple of these accounts here, the trading account and the Nicky S ETF thingy here. But like I started like it's not like literal resetting, but it's kind of like resetting. I just switched accounts from margin to cash. But to do that on Robinhood, you got to be out of all your positions, out of everything, and sold out. Then you could switch it and then readjust. So that's kind of like the process that I had to do that. So that's kind of where I'm at with that. He's got two offers here. So it's not like actual resetting, it's just kind of switching from one thing to another, and I'm readjusting at the same time, starting like investments and trading like the new year from scratch, from new type deal. Yeah, just trying to play it safe for a little bit. You should be maxing out your Roth IRA. But yeah, I totally agree with you there on that one, Richard. To max out the Roth IRAs. I think that's a smart thing to do for sure. I think that's a smart thing to do for sure. I see all crypto move similar. Yes, all crypto do move kind of similar. That's basically the same as similar sector stocks. Yes, and then there's like a few different cryptos that move kind of differently because they do different things. But like the majority, they follow the same type of similar pattern as Bitcoin. But yeah, the hood stock in general. Let's see. I like hood. Actually, that's another one I want to add. I like it for the long term, especially if it dips some more. Definitely, like even at these price ranges, I think it's pretty decent. I'll probably add a little bit to this. Let's see, change this to the Roth IRA. Trade buy. Let's see, buy at least. So I got one. So I got left the amount that I could buy 1.89. So I could do 1.89. I could do the exact amount that I want to buy. So I'm gonna be done, maxed out with the Roth IRA purchases. Then I'll have a little bit more to add. More buying. Also, I can't deposit at least. Oh, that's weird. So I can't. That's weird. What if I do like $1? Oh, so it has to be even dollar, I guess. Let's see. What if I try $1? So $1, it's letting me, but I don't know. It didn't let me buy it in a fractional type deal. See, one point. If I did do like 1.89, it didn't let me do that for some reason. So deposit at least zero. Yeah, so I don't know why it only allows the like only like $1. It doesn't allow like something smaller than that, or I don't know. It's kind of being weird. But $1 at least it's allowing, so that's good. So I added $1 of hood. I like hood for long term, even if it does dip some more in the short term. I don't mind because I like it for the long term. The hood stock. So I got that one queued in. Let's see if I can add it to my other one. So pretty much all my buying power is maxed out because like I literally started like the accounts fresh from nothing. So I got like one more dollar I could add it to my individual account, which I'll probably do. Let's see, buy $1 worth of this thingy on hood. And then I maxed out. I'll probably add some more money to all these accounts tomorrow and I could do some more buying and whatnot and seeing what I could add. But yeah, I'm pretty much maxed out on buying. Let's see. Like I said, the IRA right now to buy stuff with it's maxed out, and all of these the individuals maxed out, trading's maxed out, Nicky CTF is maxed out, so all of them maxed out. So yeah, that's kind of is what it is, right? A little bit is what it is. I guess I could add some more money tomorrow and add some more stuff to it. What is HUD's return each year? Oh, let's see. So if I click for the 1 year, so for the 1 year, the hood is up 117%, 0.32. So over 100% in 1 year. So that's like a crazy, crazy growth for 1 year of the hood deal. WHR for the win. Oh, nice, the WHR. Hey there, Necro Gettings bags. How are you doing, man? Just trading on here. Okay, WHR for the win. Let's check it out. But yeah, I do like Robinhood for long term. WHR, let's see. Also Whirlpool, let's see. So today it's down 3.16%. Overnight it's down 8.43%. 1 week it's down 13. 1 month it's up 1.75%. 3 months it's down 2.61%. Year to date it's up 1.94%. 1 year it's down 44.53%. 5 years it's down 62. Maximum it's up 31.01. So yeah, maximum it's up. 5 years is down 62%. Even if you were in this one for like 1 year, you would have been down like 44.53% on your money. So yeah, it might be kind of decent, but like doesn't look. I mean, the dividend's pretty nice, but if the general trend is down, it's kind of risky. So the analyst ratings on this one's 27.3 a buy, 45.4% hold, and 27.3% sell. So not the greatest analyst ratings. So yeah, the dividend's kind of decent, but the chart doesn't look the greatest. I mean, it looks kind of risky to me. I mean, like especially in this time right now, like potential war starting and all the weird stuff that's going on. I think it's kind of risky. WHR about to have massive completion in the next few years also. Oh, I see. $1 goes a long way. I know, right? $1 does go a long way for sure. Decent. Oh, it's a massive dividend. Yeah, the dividend's pretty good for sure. Someone, let's see, and see the spot price difference and growth. You want to know if you want to know to get out silver, what you can do is take the price of gold and then divide silver. Oh wow, defense stock is what's going hit this year. I think yeah, the defense stocks should be doing pretty good. I think too. And WHR about to have massive completion. No, it goes on. It's too late to get in silver. Silver for the long term, I think it'll be going up, but because it ran up like crazy recently, I don't know. Like it could either dip or go continue going up. It's hard to predict at this point. Like the general trend is towards the upside. Short term, anything could happen for sure. How come you like WHR so much? The huge dividend. Oh, WHR, would you buy? Me right now, like the dividend's pretty nice, but like right now, like with you could see the recent dip. It's because I think it's because of what's going on in the world, in the with Iran being hit and potentially being hit, or I don't know what's going on. Like if there's wars that are gonna be breaking out and weird stuff going on, like it might affect it to the negative side more than like some other stocks, you know. So it might be doing okay, like if everything's going good, but like if there's weird situations, I'm not sure. Like in the world or in the country, like the dividend's pretty good. The chart, like if you click on the max, that's the thing. It's not that much up. It's 31.01. Still decent because it's not down, but 5 years is down 62.91%. So if you had your money in it for 5 years, you would have been 62.91% down. You would have been down like a lot more than half your money would have been lost. But obviously, plus the dividends, so who knows with that. But it does have potential. But short term, right now, to me, it seems kind of risky for the short term. That's what I'm trying to say. Not financial advice. Anything could happen, but for me personally, short term, it looks kind of risky at the moment. It's a dividend trap for years now. Oh, thanks for the 100 there, Amir's Gaming. Thank you for the gift, man. Thank you. It's a dividend trap for years now. WHR could stabilize, but it's not a dividend growth play. I'd rather go into for BTCI, a little more risk, but at least you're buying at lows. Oh yeah, BTCI might have a better opportunity. Oh, thank you for the gift there, Mr. McClib Tart 5015. Thank you, man. Thanks. Let's see. Good night. Oh, okay. Good night there, Lopez. If you're going to bed now. Or QQQI. Yeah, I like the QQQI for the long term for sure. You know, I like that one. Richard is 100% correct. Yeah, QQQI. I like QQQI. Just QQQ in general, but the QQQI, I think it's a little bit cheaper. A little, in a way, it's pretty good too. So yeah, I like this one. So NEO ETF Trust and yeah, Nasdaq 100% high income ETF. So yeah, this one you look at the dividend. The dividend here is 0.02 30-day yield. But like if you look at the chart, if it's going up, that's the main thing that you want. So I'm not sure what it pays or whatnot. Like QQQ in general is pretty good. So let's see, 1 year. So 1 year you could have made at least 4.24% plus the dividend that it pays, you know. It looks like it's a recently listed type deal. So listed on January 30, 2024. So it's a recently listed thing, but it does look pretty decent though. Tread lightly for sure. This guy won gambling today, 26,000 USD. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. That's crazy. Gambling today, 26. What did the guy win on? What did he play? I have had some success with QQQI, but the option ETFs that return massive dividends are all sketchy, trendy, trend line. Oh, for sure. I agree with you, Lance, for sure. Thoughts on ASTS? Let's see. ASTS. I think that the QQQ in general, I think it's kind of safer than the QQQI, but QQQI still, I think it's pretty decent. AST Space Mobile. So this one's today up 8.88%. Overnight's up 1.13. 1 week it's up 7.24. 1 month it's up 66%. 3 months up 52%. Year to date it's up 68%. 1 year it's up 523%. 5 years it's up 655%. Maximum it's up 1,154%. So yeah, this one definitely looks pretty good. Pretty good. The general trend is just moving up. AST Space Mobile. So if it's include space and potentially like phones and stuff like that. I'm not sure. I'm guessing. I don't know what it's about exactly. AST Space Mobile, INC engaged in building a broadband cellular. Yes, cellular with the satellites and all that stuff in space. The crazy ass potential. That's why it's going up. Cellular network in space to operate directly with standard unmodified mobile devices based on an extensive IP and patent portfolio. It focuses on providing mobile broadband services with global coverage to all end users without the need to purchase special equipment. The company was founded by Abel Avalon on May 31, 2017, and is headquartered in Midland, Texas. The listed name for ASTS is AST Space Mobile INC Class A Common Stock. So yeah, it does look pretty decent. There's no dividends. Like it doesn't matter who cares about the dividend as long as the company is growing pretty good. So analyst ratings 33% buy, 50% hold, and 17% sell. So pretty decent ratings, not the best, but sometimes I don't agree with the analyst regardless of what they say. But it does look pretty good. It does look pretty bullish. Like yeah, it goes up and down quite a bit. It's pretty volatile, but the general trend you could see it's going up like crazy quite a bit. And I could potentially see it going up more and more, because it seems like it's pretty high, but for the long term it might keep on growing, in my opinion. Not financial advice, but it does look pretty decent, pretty good. And like the thing is, I would buy it right now, but the thing is, I'm already because I changed my accounts and everything. Right now, I'm out of buying power. Literally, like you see, this one has 89 cents I could buy stuff with, but it's too small to actually use it. And then like all of those are at like zeros. So yeah, like maybe tomorrow I'll probably try not to forget to add that one. Maybe I'll take a screenshot of this thing. That way I could remember to buy it. Because I do like it. Let's see. So I took a screenshot of it. That way I could try to not forget to get that one. Like it seems kind of decent. Let's see. Videos. Oh, like a video slot, a progressive type. Oh, I see. That's crazy. Definitely not long term. If you want long term, always go into QQQ. Yeah, QQQ for the longer term is better. I agree with Richard there. ETFs are not meant to be crazy risk. These new option ETFs all have massive NAV erosion. Their huge fees come from share price. What's your guys' take on buying VOO at this price, or should I wait for pullback or just a dollar cost average? Check out PPA ETF. Okay, I could check it out in a little bit. DCA into VOO forever if you like. Yeah, VOO, I like it, like Lance is saying. Let's see, for the long term. PPA, I gotta check that one out. I don't know, is the NAV been holding up well in price of stock for QQI, but it's still only 2 years out. Don't even think about highs. TMV up nicely after hours. QQI literally the only one that hasn't fell off a cliff. The yield max all feel. I'm going to try dump 1500 a month into VOO. Yeah, VOO is pretty decent for the long term. Like I think seems like a decent safe ETF. I'd still kind of take it easy right now with everything that's going on in the world, but like in general, it's pretty decent. If you could withstand like the drawdowns, like when there's like market crashes or whatever short term type deals, and then it goes back up, it's fine. But a lot of people, even in the safe ETF, they can't stand the drawdowns, and then they sell at a loss, even if they're in a good safe ETF. That's the mistake that a lot of people do. But generally they go up like the good ETFs, the good stocks. Check out PPA. So PPA, Invesco Aerospace and Defense ETF. So it's a different one. So this one's down today 1.34%. After hours, it's up 0.07. 1 week, it's down 0.77. 1 month, it's up 10.98. 3 months, it's up 10.75. Year to date, it's 11.64. 1 year, it's up 47%. 5 years, it's up 157. Maximum, it's up 1,072 and 64. Yeah, this one, the general trend on this one is up too, so it does look pretty good too. So I'll add this to my, let's see, top stocks to trade. Let's see, so the chart looks pretty good. So this one has a like a dividend, 30-day yield 0.29%, so that's pretty decent. Okay, so it looks like a pretty decent one to be in. So PPA tracks a market cap weight index of U.S. listed stocks involved in the defense, military, homeland security, and space industries. The listed name for PPA is Invesco Aerospace and Defense ETF. Yeah, this one, like I like it too for a long term. It's a ETF that's involved and linked with a whole bunch of these space and like defense stuff. It's looks pretty decent, you know. I'll take a screenshot of this thing too right now because obviously I'm out of buying power because I reset my accounts, restarted, but I'm going to deposit some more tomorrow and add some of these and extra stuff that I'm looking at and stuff like that. But it does look pretty good. I kind of like it. Wow, you're going to be so rich if you can really invest 1,500 each month. You will be a millionaire in no time. Oh yeah, 1,500 in a month into VOO. Yeah, that could literally like compound and do crazy, crazy, amazing things. That's yeah, definitely a good move in the 19th century yourself. I'm 39, I live in South Jersey. Let's see. VOO, QQM might be good candidates for your Roth core. Let's see. I'm going to try down 500 a month. Let's see. Oh yeah, I remember when I heard of high yield, I had a money glitch in the 19th century or so. Okay, but yeah, this one looks like a good one right here. But yeah, I think let's see. But yeah, after resetting the accounts, like I added more accounts. I added a Nicky SETF, the trading account deal here. Roth IRA I have. And then this is the one I switched from my margin account to the cash account just to kind of play it safe. So switch that around and try to add more money every day and grow the portfolios from scratch and see what they do, how they perform. So do you day trade or just invest in stocks? Well, I usually like I do a little bit of everything. I day trade, sometimes I scalp, I options trade, I do crypto trading. I do a whole bunch of that stuff right now. Like just recently, I changed my portfolio. I changed this. Like I had a bigger amount on here. I cashed all that out, and I'm kind of readjusting, starting from scratch, and with more accounts. I'll try to deposit every day and add more to the stocks and companies, and eventually options and other stuff too. That's what I always hear. That's why I want to figure out a way to retire early. Does the Roth let you invest in whatever you want, or do they pick? Oh, the Roth, I could pretty much invest whatever I want into. Like all these things, like that's the stuff I pick. Like it depends on how you want to invest on Robinhood. I think you could specify. You could specify whether you want them to do an investment for you or you pick your own. So I do. I just do my own. Like I do my own like whatever I want to invest in. So it kind of depends. Like I like my own investments better than like what somebody else would do. So yeah, that's just my own. I have a couple of buddies in Hawaii. Yes, very expensive location, but you have the right mindset. Compound interest is about to bless. Oh yeah, if you invest right, like you could definitely do very good. But look at that, it's so funny. Gold dipped like crazy over there. That's the gold chart. Dipped like crazy, but it's going back up like even faster. Like it's still skyrocketing. It corrects a little bit and then goes up like crazy. It's insane. Pretty crazy. A great way toward financial freedom for sure. Oh yeah, for sure. But anyways, I'm kind of out of funds here for today. I'll probably be back here tomorrow adding some more stuff. So I'll be logging off. You guys have a good night. I'll be back here tomorrow, do more trading and looking at stocks, companies, and everything. Have a good night. Bye, guys. See you later.